as the Onowu of this great kingdom, I hereby...
No, wait first. I am the vice president of youth in my community. I am representing my able presidents. They asked me to ask Una a question. In fact, I come here. They want to know who will be crowned the next Igwe of this kingdom. Since Prince Okechukwu is missing, Una don't successfully make that innocent man lost. So now when we know they see Okechukwu again, who will be the next Igwe of this kingdom? Because I don't want any ritualist or any sacrifice to rule us. So instead, make we live forever without king.
What? Yeah? All the king about him, madu. You are too insultive, this young girl. Who are you calling names? Who?
I call your name. I mention anybody name for this place. I beg answer me, who could become Igwe?
Of course, it's me. Onwa Nigerian, one of Ihiti of Oko Kingdom.
Hey!
This prosperous kingdom, I'm here to be king.
Yes. It no go work, sir. We don't rule that one out. I beg, tell me, who go become Igwe for this community? Make una talk fast. My blood's dey hot. Answer me, I beg.
Egyptian, how dare you? Are you out of your mind?
You won't fight me? You won't beat me? I know say they carry talks, they worker. Maintain your lane, tell your day, make I do my day. I know well, go ask question. They whine.
Let's get this girl out of here. I mean, she's not fit to be here.
10 of your talks no fit move me. I pin. I be Rocco. We pin. No leave, no transfer. They no fit move me come up for this place. May they put body now.
Agent Chuku. Mind your language. Please, if your body is hot, you better sit down. Eh?
No, she has to get out. Now.
Me go get out. I go lock this palace. Nobody go move. Try me. You don't do anything. You don't do two chairs like this.
You.
Good evening, everyone.
Cleopatra.
Chief Onwa, good to see you again. While I train his son as of his notice, Ishie Onwa here can testify to what I'm saying. I never knew His Highness is dead.
So I let Igwe get pikin. I took him. See the resemblance, oh, the resemble, oh.
Yes, his name is Williams Jr.
Wow.
But according to your story, you said he asked you to abort the pregnancy so he wouldn't bring problem in his home.
Yes, but it's my choice. I had to move to London to forget everything about him.
And you are bringing him now. What a coincidence.
Like I said, Danga, my fiancé asked me to return him back to his people. Besides, nobody told me His Highness is late. I can't keep a real blood out of his lineage. It's not possible.
You said that you came in conclusion. I mean, you succumbed to pressure when you saw our late Igwe in your dream, asking you to bring the boy here to Nigeria.
Yes. I saw him twice. This is his son. His blood.
You had an affair with our late king, our Igwe, 10 years ago. And it resulted to this boy. Where were you 10 years ago? Where have you been?
Oga, I don't mean anything. What matter be say we don't get prince.
Would you keep quiet?
Will you keep quiet? What if it is a conspiracy?
I believe no conspiracy here. We go run DNA tests, both spiritually and physically. We go run them.
Yeah.
Hey! God, thank you. Welcome home, my boy. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Hey! Bam! It don't be you. 10 years! And our tradition says, once a prince is 10 years, he can become Igwe. This tradition too much. Thank goodness, thank God say you be 10 years old though. Money from Chief Owa. If I not collect that money, make I die.
Please, my daughter, collect my money from him. Don't allow him to eat my sweat. Please, even if I die, collect my money from him. Don't allow him to eat my sweat. He is very heartless. He is evil.
Papa, I mean they tell you. You no go die, yo. But you see that money, I go collect it from Chief Owa. I no go let him eat your sweat. Chief Owa must every single copper where they with him. I go collect them. Except my name not be in Jim Chuku. I must collect that money. Eh? No, it don't be yo. Chief Owa must pay.
Who is also my late father's best friend. Please don't allow him to eat my money.
Papa, I swear if I don't collect this money when Chief Owa, you make I die. That money, I go must collect that. I no go chop that money, go free. I no go agree. Eh? Which kind of wicked man be this?
Please.
Chief. Chief, is it true? You called me on phone. What is going on? Eh? Okay, then, man. Chief, okay. You called me on phone. What is happening? Eh? Okay, then, man. Chief.
Hey! Igwe go die. Bam, 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 bam.
Chief, okay, can make sure one will rock up.
Hey! Oko sisi ada.
If a man,
Go and see things for yourself.
Che, whatever Jen and if it.
Hey!
Hey!
See things yourselves. Go and see things yourselves.
Let's go.
Aru emego no boda yo. Hey!
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 See for yourselves.
No boda. Hey! Aru emego no boda yo. Hey!
We just deposited the body of His Majesty in the royal morgue. Yes. Yeah. I couldn't pick calls. I just couldn't take calls. I have been quite busy lately. Yes. All right. I'll stay in touch. Okay. All right. Thank you. Ejimchuku, Ogini.
Chief, my papa tell me say they owe him 2 years salary, which is 2 million naira.
He told you that?
Yes, that's why I'm here. I want to collect the money. I want to use the money to take him to a better hospital.
I told him I'll pay him this week. It's unfortunate he's sick, but I'll pay. I will.
Chief Onwa, it's a matter of life and death. I need the money.
You can't even see that kind of money in this house now. You can't. There's nothing like that here.
I don't understand. What you do here like this? Eh? So you want me my people die, maybe for swallow the money? Chief Onwa, I beg. You see this small respect where this little girl get for you, no cut am. Give me this money, make I go treat my papa. I take God, take beg you. I beg I dare.
Why are you shouting? What's wrong with you? Didn't your mother teach you some manners? I say I don't have the money now. I don't have it now. I don't have it.
You go say something, oh. No, Oga, you go say something. You go sell chair or you go sell television. Even if possible, you go sell this house. Make you give me the money, make I go treat my papa. I didn't take my papa play, oh.
Are you out of your mind?
I go display, oh. I go show you manners. I know well, oh. Go ask question.
Start display. You think your madness is more than mine? You should realize that your madness is not up to mine. Nonsense.
Why you go wicked like this?
Display now.
Why you act like Okpo? Person go work for you for 2 years, you don't want to pay. Why? Why you do this kind of thing? Why you wicked like this, sir?
Display, oh. Display.
Huh? I go scatter this house, you go see him.
Stay there and be displayed.
Okay. What nonsense be this? He works for you for free.
My God!
Lolo.
What is it? Why are you trying to pull that with you?
I won't go sell the television.
Eh?
Your husband dey owe my papa money. I won't go sell the television, make I make money go to my papa.
Take it easy. Ejimchukwu, stop! Stop! Ejimchukwu, stop!
What's going on here? What's this?
Hey,
stop it!
Ejimchukwu!
Have you gone mad? Boys! Yes, Chief. Come. Bundle this girl out of here.
When I go body, go blast you. Not fire! Move! Not fire! What's with this now? What's with this? Chief! I mean, you do this thing. Chief!
Move! Take it easy! Take it easy with her!
Take out! Bad man, can you see? Nonsense. Rubbish. Okay then. Ha! Now, wow. Let's sit down, my dear. That rubbish there. Nonsense. Dirty thing.
Leave this place!
Now God go punish you now. God go punish Chief Onwa. You see that my money, I must collect them. Very evil man.
Leave this place
You
now!
don't go chop papa money, go free, go see him.
Hey, open that gate! Open that gate!
God go punish all of una for this house.
This place. Don't come back here again. Make sure you don't open that gate for her again.
Now God go punish you. Chief Onwa, God go punish you. I need to go anywhere. I must collect my money. I must collect my papa money. I must collect them. I don't go anywhere. Which kind of wickedness be this? You don't help person money for 2 years, you don't want to pay. Eh? Ordinary 75,000 naira when I want. Take care of my papa. You don't want to give me. Which kind of wickedness be this? I don't want to go anywhere. I go there here. Now God go punish you, Chief Onwa.
Enjoy your daughter there. I mean, what's your problem? What is your problem?
Chief, why are you doing this? Let me go and offset your debt. Eh? You are owing an innocent man, and if he cries to his creator, you will not like the outcome. Eh, Ogini, you just bought a house yesterday in Abuja. You have the money now. What is this?
Anyway, I have said mine. Step an inch out of this house, and I will slice you like onions and flush you in the toilet. Nonsense.
May God have mercy on you. Chief, may the Almighty God have mercy on you. Hey!
You know that God more than I do, so he should have mercy on you first. I mean, a woman shouldn't be talking when her husband is speaking. Oh, in your case, you say 1,000 words, even before I say Jack Robinson. Someday, I am going to sacrifice you. Yes, I will. Keep disrespecting me. You know, keep interrupting me in my own house.
Yeah.
We shall see.
We shall see. Let us see how it will end. No worries, oh, no problem. Okwebu Chief for Memma, you will go outside there and paint the perfect image of a good man. Omelora, the great philanthropist. But inside here, you are terrible.
Shut up. Shut up.
I know who you
Shut
are.
up. You're not ashamed of yourself.
I know who you are.
You want to be sleeping with my own security guard or common security guard? You.
Hey,
Let me tell you, I will not pay that money over my dead body.
you're nothing but a terrible man. Terrible human being. Wicked man. Wickedness, baby. Personified.
You should have stood and faced me. Anwar here. Look at you.
What kind of woman is this?
Hey, Jim, isn't it better you report him to the Igwe?
Igwe where don't die. You know you're the sound of Ikoro this morning. You won't tell me say you no. Say you don't die.
Igwe is dead.
Okay, don't ask me that question, no.
I didn't hear. Anyway, I left very early this morning to do some supplies. So that good man is dead, just like that. Was he sick?
I know they asked me this question. This question, they vex me, oh.
So after losing his family to a plane crash 2 years ago, he died just like that. This is bad. And then may he so rest in peace. Hey Jim, my baby, come, let's go. Cannot be here. There's no need standing here. What will you be doing? That man cannot do anything. Come, let's go.
See this thing when you talk now. No talk him again. If you tell me say, let's go, I go serve you breakfast. I go end this relationship. You hear me? I won't wait for one. Now here they'll pass. I they wait for them. I must collect my money. You go drive fast here very soon. I will collect my money.
I know why I'm telling you this. Because that is how rich people do. Eh? I just pray you don't land in police cell. Because last night he will arrest you. I know how they behave. And that Onwa is very wicked.
I dey fear to go sell. Guy, I go collect my money. Onwa a very wicked man. That man heart is very evil. My papa worked for him as gate man for 2 good years. Onwa no gree pay him salary. Onwa dey owe my papa 2 million naira. He tell me say he no get money, but every day go party, they spray money, they give money to widows. They buy lands, they promise people heaven and earth, but no one give me my papa money. I go collect my papa money. See that money, I go collect them. Now me talk am.
That one audio philanthropist though.
75,000 naira. I beg this man, give me, make I pay my papa hospital bill. I want me say he no get. You dey whine. I will collect my money, oh. I know well, oh. Hey, be like say that guy no know me. He go pass here, I dey wait for him.
But you cannot be here. You know you have a keke business you are running for somebody. Come, let's go.
I don't need them. See that keke money, I don't need them again. The money when I need, and the money where Chief Onwa they owe my papa. I don't stop the keke business, I don't do it again.
It's me, the question.
My elders, as we all know, the king has no heir to the throne. And according to tradition, in the next 7 days, we are supposed to be having a king.
Well, to me, I would suggest that whatsoever we want to do, please, let us be fast about it. Let us be fast.
I want you to understand that without Chief Onwa, this meeting is not complete. Ichi Onu, we are talking about the next king of this land. You are here speaking of Chief Onwa.
He will join us. And yes, the meeting is incomplete without Chief Onwa.
I said it. I know what I'm saying.
It's all right then. Let us wait for him to come.
We should wait.
Yes.
See, listen to me. Any meeting without me being ably present or physically present is not a meeting at all. So, dismiss that gathering at once. Okay? Yes, I'm not there. Yes or no? Good. Very good. You see, I'll pay 1 million naira into your account before night falls. Yeah. And of course, I'll pay another 1 million for drinks and cola nuts for the people who will be visiting the palace. Yeah, just trust me. Okay. Thank you.
Chief, are you just stopping the meeting going on in the palace?
Yes, of course. That's not a meeting. It is not a meeting at all. Any meeting without Chief Onwa is a coup. Yes, it is.
Are you trying to let me know that you're going to be the next king?
Oh, I'm not trying to let you know anything, woman. I'm not. I'm just telling you that I will be king, Igwe, or Wanitiriora, one of this kingdom. If I'm not king, then who else will be? Who is the right person?
So because the late king lost all his family in that plane crash, now
That's not my business. Look, I have just told you who I will be a few weeks from now. So be prepared to become the queen. If you know you're not interested, fine. I'll just tell ONUWAJE to get me one young, fine girl to be my bride. That's all.
as in, I don't understand. What did you just say?
My elders.
I think we have to go.
Oh no, are you saying we schedule the meeting?
Yes, of course. Someone needs to be here.
Ezemo, can't we have agreement within ourselves and later we'll inform him? Eh? Can't we?
No. Ichiano. Ichiano. Oh yeah, the one money go no one thing. Listen to ONUWAJE. Hi.
My elders. No, I have to go.
What? It's all right.
Let us go.
Let's go then. No, who's already leaving.
Hey, my papa. Hey, my father.
Where did you go to? I've been calling your phone line, you are not taking your calls.
Doctor, I go look for money now. Where my papa? You can't go another ward. Just tell me say you can't go another ward.
You see, I'm sorry. Very sorry. Your father is dead. We move his corpse to the mortuary.
I don't understand. How can you carry my father to the mortuary without letting me know? Wait, what you dey talk? Tell me say you dey lie, I beg.
That was why I was calling you, but we're not taking your calls.
Papa don't die. Doctor! Doctor! Doctor, bring my papa, bring my papa. Don't do this thing to me. My papa, bring him for me, doctor! Doctor! No! No! Doctor!
Please take heart. God give it and he has taken.
My vice president, please take heart, okay? Papa was a good man. Please do accept our sincere condolences.
I'm sorry, sorry.
Oh, my friend.
Take heart, my daughter. No, Chuku will take. Chuku will.
Such is life.
Very nice man.
Ndo.
Very nice man.
Ndo.
Good.
My friend, my friend.
May your soul rest in peace.
Hi. Amaka.
Yes, President.
Please, I want you to go and inform the village town crier to announce that I want to see the youths here by 6 p.m.
Okay, President. Ejim, I'm coming, no? Sorry, I'm coming.
Apart from the fact that Okoli was a very good man, he was also my very good friend. And my age mate too. Just as the Igwe was also my age mate. Losing two great friends in one day is really terrible and heartbreaking.
Chief, just take it easy. We understand your plight.
You can ask Lolo. I begged Okoli to fly him abroad for proper treatment. He refused. I even begged him with 3 million naira to start working for me as a security guard. He still refused. I mean, anyway, I'll be visiting his daughter tomorrow morning. I'll give you the sum of 500,000 naira to give to his village daughter. Because I know that people will be coming in to, pay their condolences. And she will need to give them refreshments and buy them cola, nuts and all that. It's alright. I mean, it's well. We leave everything to God Almighty.
It is well. It's pretty much.
I mean, what's my life? I don't live.
You asked me to come back home that you want to discuss something with me. What is it?
Papa, I don't like the fact say you dey do get man for your friend. Get as this thing they do me for body, I don't like him. You need to stop this thing where you dey do. My spirit no want them. I beg.
Ejimjuku, I thought we have discussed this matter before. Why are you bringing it up again?
Papa, why you go leave your vulcanizing business where you do? Go they do get man for your friend. It no make sense now.
But I told you that my machine is bad. And he promised to give me money to purchase another one. But for the meantime, let me work for him. Just allow me to do the job. There's no problem.
Papa, Chief, I want to be a better person. I know say na your age mate, na your friend. But that man is not a good man. He no want help you. Every time you go, they promise and fear. They promise they go give you money till today. They never still give you the money. A man is better off as a man in his field than a puppet to his fellow man. I'm telling you the truth. Forget this job what you they do. See, I go hustle money. I go buy you vulcanizing machine. Make you gain your respect back. But you see that get man what you they do, you go leave am more.
Where will you get money to give me to buy the machine? You that is just about entering university. Don't worry, my daughter. He will pay me my money this month. And after that, I will go back to my work. Just relax.
Papa, yeah? I no go relax. So. I no go relax. You leave this get man work where you did do. Leave him. Leave him. This man just they deceive you say he go pay you. He no go pay you. Since how many years now he never pay you, now he won't pay you. Papa, that man they wicked. He's heartless. He will not give you the money.
Don't worry. I will have a crucial meeting with him this month. Definitely he's going to pay me. And after that, I will stop the work. It's alright.
Okay, if you say so. Papa, I begged you. I tell you, say make you leave this job. Make you not do this get man job again. You don't agree. Now you don't die. You don't die. Leave me for this wicked world. What did I go do with my life now, Papa? What did I want to do with myself? I don't go be sleep. I don't go be eat. I don't go be doing anything, Papa. Come back, oh. Come back from that mortuary. Go eat your food when I prepare for you, Papa. Papa, don't do this thing to me. Papa, don't do this thing to me. Don't do this thing to me. Papa.
I thought you should be asleep by now. What's happening? Why are you still awake?
I'm not feeling sleepy.
Why?
You ask me why. You ask me why?
My wife is not sleeping by this time of the night. Shouldn't that bother me?
Chief, where is your conscience? Where is the man that I married many years ago? Where he had no pin, no penny. Where he had a fine character. Where is Michael Obasi before he hits the so-called jackpot? Where is he? Please, can you take me to him? I want to see him. I want to see my husband.
Oko, are you alright? But I'm here. Can't you see me?
Don't think I am foolish. Okay. Okoli is dead. Yes. Our Igwe is dead too. Your two assumed friends. Okay, let me even let His Majesty's own to slide. What did Okoli do to you? What? That loyal, humble friend. A man that was ready to lay his own life down for you. What happened? You couldn't even pay him his hard-earned money. You could not. He begged you to pay him for what he worked for. You couldn't even contribute for his hospital payment. I was begging you. Now he is dead. You come out, you gave him 3 million naira. You begged him to stop working as gate man in your house. You wanted to fly him abroad. Ah! Oh, dead people. Dead people, I can feel your pains and frustrations when you hear all the lies they talk about you because you are dead. Ah!
It's like you're having brain seizure. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to go to the guest room to sleep.
Just go forever. Go wherever you want to go to. Just go. Go!
Okay. I'm on your lover. Your dead lover. Mourning.
Me? Ah! Chief, may God have mercy on you. May God have mercy on you. Ah! If I have ever, since I married you, shown any other man my nakedness, may I sleep and never wake up this night. May death take me. May it not have mercy on me. Okoli. Ah, it's such a pain that you are gone. Ha! Michael, you hurt other people. You hurt other people. But I promise you, you are going to pay. You will pay for it.
Take heart, brother. Okay, Joe. It's enough.
It's enough.
You cannot bring back the dead. Please stop crying.
It's life. My brother, he has been through a lot. And now death have come to take him away. Hey. And I saw his ghost. I saw his ghost in Germany. Hey, God. God, what have we done? What
Have we taught to deserve this pain and anger in the court? Why?
We cannot question the courts.
Oh no, don't say that. Don't say that.
Calm down.
It's okay, Okechukwu, it's okay. Huh? Be a man. Don't be aka, Okechukwu.
Iko. It's okay. It's okay.
It's why
Okechukwu is okay. Take heart. Is our Igwe too?
you lost all of a sudden. It's almost 30 years you return back home. You are the only relative that is alive. Prince Okechukwu, you are welcome back home. We are happy to see you no matter what.
Okechukwu, we almost forgot you. Honestly, we almost forgot you. He's our prince. My prince, you are welcome. Do you have a wife and kids over there?
I'm married to a German woman. And we have 2 kids. As a man, if it's true.
How do you got no man?
Wow, that's nice. That's good.
You just have to take heart, okay? Be a man. Be a man.
Papa Obina, if not be say you be the prime minister of this community, I for insult you, I for do you wetin no good. I beg before I go vex, carry this stupid money come off my back compound. Now, say Papa.
Ejimchukwu, please calm down, Biko. Biko, we understand. We understand you. Biko, calm down.
Ma, calm down.
Calm down, please.
Ma, calm down, Abi. Ma, calm down, wait. Ma, calm down, eh?
Yeah, sit sitting down. People should leave now. People should leave. I don't trust this girl. She comes back. People should leave. Take this money back to Chief for one.
Let's go. Let's go.
They're mad. Thunder, fire your brokers. They're mad. I'm not seeing that fire again.
Hey, Chichi, calm down. Calm down. Just relax. They've gone.
My love.
Yes, Daddy.
Good to see you again.
Same
You're
here,
welcome.
Papa. Thank you.
How was your journey?
Fine, thank you, Dad. You look splendid.
Thank you. You look delectable.
Thank you, Daddy.
Look at you. Other one of Afufu Kingdom.
That's me, Daddy.
Oh my God, my darling.
We have missed you. Where's Mom?
Same here. Well, she just stepped out, you know. One of those things, yeah.
Okay.
How was your journey?
It was fine. It was okay.
And when did you leave London?
Yesterday, while I was talking to you on the phone.
And you didn't tell me.
Oh, Papa, I wanted to make it a surprise.
A very good surprise. Come on now, let's go. Let's...
I am so sorry for your loss. I couldn't sleep a wink last night. In fact, my daughter is supposed to come back today, but I had to be here. I had to be here for you, my goddaughter.
You say? Where you that thing? Don't try that nonsense again. See that name when you call me. Don't call me goddaughter again. Not be your goddaughter. I not fit to be your goddaughter. I not be anybody to you. Just mourn in peace and go. You dey hear me? Don't try am again, no. I'm not the reason you. I know they see you. I don't know what that person dey here. Now only one thing. Now make you still sit down here. Make I clear you now.
I tried.
I first make you try. Did I ask you to try?
Please. You are my goddaughter. Listen, I would never in any way harm you or even allow anybody to hurt you. I would not try.
You no fit even harm me. All of una put together, your husband, your full family, no fit do me anything. See, I don't want vex you. No talk about my papa death again for this place. I don't want vex.
Ejim, I will give you 15 million naira so that you do your father's burial. But please don't tell anybody that I gave you the money.
I don't need the money from you. I don't need any money from your family to bury my papa. Just tell your husband, say, when I ready, I go come collect my papa money from him. Tell him, say, that's how I talk. You are very wicked. You are very wicked. So you get this money. I was looking for 75,000 naira to pay my late father's hospital bill. I don't see the money. You get this money, you not feel call me, you not feel even sneak out. Come out to come give me the money. Even if na 100 million or 1 billion, madam, I don't need them. If that money go feel wake my papa come out from mortuary, go drop the money for there. I don't need your money. I don't need that more. I don't want vex. I take God beg you. No vex me. Carry your money, go.
Ejim Chukwu, you won't understand. You will not understand.
I don't want to understand. I refuse to understand. Come on for this place. The only way I go allow you sit down here, not talk about my papa death again. If you go talk about time, say Papa, come on for here. I know well, no. Man, not do wetin you go vex. Why they follow you the talk?
Ejim Chukwu.
Okechukwu?
Yes, he's back. Mama, he's back.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
Okechukwu is in the palace as we speak now. He's there.
Wow. So he came back to Nigeria after his elder brother's death.
Well, that is how we saw him. But me, I'm certain he is back to become the next Igwe of Ihite Afouku Kingdom.
All right. All right. Interesting.
Interesting. Let us see. Let us see.
Chief, she rejected the money. I was surprised.
That girl. Maybe she has a wealthy boyfriend that will sponsor her father's funeral. Yeah. But you didn't tell me that Okechukwu is in town.
I was about informing you, Chief.
He came in to be the next Igwe, or to bury the Igwe, his elder brother.
I don't know, Chief. We haven't spoken to that yet.
You know, no, I already made myself clear. I know that I am not qualified to be the next Igwe. But I desire and deserve to be a great leader in this community. It's good this is made perfectly clear.
I do, Chief. I understand.
So that's just it, you know, because I hate to be misunderstood.
Hi, Daddy.
Adam.
Onye come for you, Adora.
Adam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Chief, look at Adora. She's now a big girl.
Thank you, sir.
Of course, yes. I mean, a graduate of law from Oxford University. I mean, so what were you expecting? She is my investment.
Ada, when did you enter Nigeria?
I came in this morning.
Oh, wow, good. That means you'll be seeing men trooping in and out of this house.
Very correct. And I'll be there to choose the right person for her.
That is good, Chief. Wow.
Daddy, if you excuse me, I want to go look around and just observe things.
Okay, my dear, but don't go too far.
No, I won't.
Go. Eh? It is your homeland. Go and enjoy, my dear.
Thank you, sir.
Go, my dear.
I'll be back soon, Papa.
Oh, wow. You're going to adore. Chief. Very soon now.
You can't say that again. You are going to that. Thank you.
So, Daddy, you'll soon be the king. I mean, the next Igwe of this kingdom.
Sweetie, that's what the people want me to become.
And I will be called Princess.
Princess, whatever. Whatever, my daughter.
Mommy, what's wrong? You're not eating your food.
Can't leave your mommy. She's mourning Okoli and Lava.
What? Paokoli is dead?
Yes.
Ejimchuku's father, your friend.
Dead. He died the same day with the king. Imagine how terrible that is. Losing two great friends in one day. One ugly day.
No wonder he hasn't come around. He was a meek man. Poor Ejimchuku.
Adora, I was never his lover. Tell your father to be kind to people. Tell him to be kind to people, even the demised ones.
Oh, Kechiku.
Chief,
how are you doing today?
Doing good, sir. You cannot tell me you want to be king. This is our family heritage. Everybody knows this. I'm still perplexed we're having such conversations.
Oh, Kechiku, my brother. I am a man of few words. I want the throne. I want to be king. You see, you may be thinking this is not achievable, but it is. Every man has a price. Everything has a price. So, name your price. I'm willing, effortlessly willing to pay the price.
Chief, I think I'm beginning to become irritated by your confidence. My late brother, King Igwe Williams, will be rolling in his grave, ashamed of what you're asking of me right now. You will become no Igwe, not in this kingdom, not over my watch. And that is my prize.
Smart boy. You see, you lived all your life in Germany. So I guess you don't even know that things have changed here. Yeah, you don't. The people wish and desire that I become king.
The royalty inheritance is from our forefathers, and I don't give a damn about the people's wish or what have changed. Even if I die or leave, the royalty and its blood would never leave its loins into the hands of another man. No.
Okay, Chuku. I want you to think.
I want you to leave my presence this minute and we'll act like we never had such discussions. Thank you for your condolence visit.
Young man, have a rethink.
Leave this moment or I'll call the commissioner of police. Now.
Commissioner of police. It's all right. Go and think.
Nonsense. This is unacceptable to me. This throne right here belongs to my great-grandfather, my grandfather, my father, in fact, the entire family. Our lineage. I do not want any trouble. No. Ichionwa should not provoke the beast in me. He should not provoke the beast in me. I am grieving and angry. And this man has the temerity to walk into this palace and tell me that he is interested in the family heir. Who does that? Don't tell me who does that. You need to call him to order. This is no ordinary, everyday politics that anybody can come and win by any means. No! No! It's not happening.
We have heard you, Okechukwu. We know all that. We also know that this royalty is your inheritance. Okay? We, or rather, I know that Chifoma knows the cultures and treasures of this land. But does it mean you relocated to Nigeria to become the next Igbo of this land?
Yes. Being I'm the only one alive as it stands. Yes.
Well, Okechukwu, no one is contesting with you on this. We all know the truth. Yes. You are alive and a prince by birth. It's all right. We are going to meet with Chief Oma and have a good conversation with him.
It's all right. That aside, Onowu, I must commend you and the elders of Ifitafu Ukwu Kingdom for always following what is right. This is what we need in this kingdom, for we are big enough. Let us not bend our beliefs, our norms, or our tradition because someone thinks he knows what to offer to us. Let us not do such. Never.
It's okay. We've heard you. It's all right.
Come on, we don't been there. We don't been there. Go on there. Go on there. Hey.
Where you are, Doc? Get on! Chief, I will fall out!
No trial. No Ndabugas trial. No trial. Relax.
Have you gone mad?
You are not a mad 30. Eh? Chief Owa, you feel say you pass everybody for this community. Don't worry, I go humble you. See for your matter, I pin. No leave, no transfer. No fear. You get mind. Buy our igwe. That will not reach you. You buy my papa. Ah! It don't be for you. They say do not touch the tail of the tiger, whether it is dead or alive. But you don't touch the tail of this tiger. And this tiger will crush you.
Young lady, drop that discount. Drop
Say
it.
waiting.
It's not a tiger. Drop it. Boys! What's going on here? I'm a king already.
Of course.
You know, a few days from now it will happen.
Yes, Chief.
What Okechukwu is saying is just Banabarago. Baby making noise.
No,
just
you
making
Noise. Chief, we all know he has nothing to offer.
Yes.
Now, he can't face you.
Who is he?
Leave that to me. He's a small boy. He's a small boy, yes.
But then, Chief, we need the support of the youths. You know, without the youths, a lot cannot be achieved.
The youth of Afonku are my friends.
Of course. I trust you.
I align with them a lot. So we have a wonderful relationship. That's
okay.
But remember that we'll beat him after the funeral.
Okay.
Yes.
Mom, why are you always against father's ambition? No, I want to know, why are you not being family? For goodness sake, this is what I've always dreamt of. Don't you want to be the queen?
You are deluded, young lady. Being a lawyer or whatever doesn't really mean that you are well schooled.
Mom.
That's a matter for you. This is her true nature. Can you imagine talking to her daughter that is a graduate of Oxford University? No, it's a shame. I mean, are you a lawyer? Are you a lawyer?
Listen, you do not know. You do not know anything about the custom of Ihitafuku Kingdom. You don't even know anything about the royal background. You just fell from the moon and went to support your father's useless ambition.
What? You're mad. Ogidikwa, what's your problem?
I am so perplexed. I mean, I am so angry right now. Mother, In this era and time, you still talk about customs? I mean, can't things just be dynamic in nature in this land? My goodness, this is unbelievable. And do you realize that families are supposed to shield each other? Do you? Well, let me tell you. With or without you, Father will become the king of this kingdom. I mean, I don't understand why you hate whatever it is that comes from Father so much. Why do you... Ah! Are you mad? Get out of my sight. Now, go up there. Go to your room and sleep. Stop embarrassing your education. Get out of my sight. Well, Mother, just so you know, I am on Father's side on this. And whether you like it or not, I will bring royalty to this family. Good for you.
And I will marry a very lovely woman that will give me a son.
I see. You can marry as many as you want. But don't forget that I had 2 sons in this union. Where are they? All dead. I have proven that my womb carried male children. I have been having recurring dreams about you and Ejimchukwu, my goddaughter. Do you have a hand in the death of her father, Anigwe Williams? If you do, my darling husband, be on your marks. Get set, because you will not escape this. Yes!
Are you talking to me? You have really gone mad. You! Godaya, you are mad. It is stupid. Nonsense. Look at this woman. What's the matter with you?
You cannot run away from it if you are not innocent.
Now I know that you've really gone mad. Nonsense.
Your father was a very good man. I am so sorry for the loss.
Thank you, Adonna.
Well, I see that you're in a mourning state. If not, I would have asked you to follow me to my house or somewhere to chill.
Well, I'm not allowed to leave this house till the next 7 days.
I know. That is the tradition. Alpha. This is $5,000. My kind support.
Ada, thank you, but I don't need them.
Well, it is only nice I do this. You know, you're my friend.
I did grateful, but I don't need them. Keep them.
Hey, Jane. Are we having this argument?
Oh, Ada, you know, see, I know they like repeat myself. I say I don't need your money. Keep them.
Okay, that's fine. By the way, my father is going to be the next king of this kingdom. And I'll be the next princess. You know, that is the main reason I came back to Nigeria. And I can't just wait. I'm so happy.
Okay, Chiku, don't sell the royalty right. Give your papa a B.
Royalty right. And who is Okechukwu?
They talk, they listen. What did they hear just now? You say your papa will be waiting. My daughter talk am say that if Owen will be the next Igwe of our land.
No, now. No wonder. So that is why they've been trooping in and out of his house.
Mbano, it's not possible now.
My own be say, in 7 days clock like this, I go raid down my house. Kingship or not, it no concern me.
Mbano, Ejim Shuku, why are you talking like this? It concern you. Have you forgotten how bad Chief Onwa is? Have you? But is it that they've changed their traditions and I'm not aware, even though I'm the youth leader?
Make we put that one aside first. But come on. Chief Onwa do you strong thing, no? I beg, knock me the gist, make we use and kill boredom.
Ejim Shuku, wait, why do they do like this now? Every day you go just they warm this breakfast. You know what man you from this heartbreak?
Knock me the gist now, Make we just the gist they go. You know the cocoa now.
Chai! Chief Onwa. Chief. Greetings, sir.
Greetings, sir. Rebecca.
That's Chief.
Sit down.
Thank you, Chief.
So, this is your fiancé you told me about, right?
Yes, Chief. Name is Udrina. Yes, she's a graduate of business administration. UMSU.
Oh, Imo State University in Kenya.
Yes, Chief. Sir.
Oh, good. Good. Beautiful.
Thank you,
sir. What's the score?
2-1, sir.
It's all right. Fair enough.
Thank you, sir.
Chief, you remember we spoke about that the last time we talked on phone?
Yeah, no problem. No problem. I know. You know, it's because of you, Mika, you know.
Thank you.
And I always help my people.
Thank you, sir.
So let me have your credentials. This is good.
Thank you so much.
Very good. She's qualified to work in my company.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
thank you,
so
thank you.
Thank you.
She's arranged that problem.
Babe, what's going on? Tell me, what is happening to our relationship? I need to understand. But first, tell me, how come this car? How did it happen?
Naimeka.
Jesus. Babe, you're now calling me Nemeka now, right?
Naimeka, you see why I was avoiding your calls? Why I didn't want to see you? Because I know you. You will always want to create problem. And honestly, this is so frustrating. Seriously, it's frustrating me.
Ujunwa, I'm sorry, okay? I am very sorry. Please, I don't want any fights. But tell me, it's not even up to a month now. How come?
Okay. Nemeka, this car is official car given to me by the company. Are you satisfied now?
Hey,
are
God.
you okay?
Hey, God. Yeah, just tell me the truth. Did you go to a hotel with Chief Onwa or not? Just tell me the truth, please.
You are very stupid for asking me such a stupid question coming up from the stupid mouth of yours. Emeka, are you okay? Wait, are you now saying that I am sleeping with Chief? Is that what you're thinking?
No,
I don't understand.
No, please, Uju. That is not what I am thinking.
So what exactly are you thinking?
Someone said he saw you in a hotel with Chief Onwa. Please, just tell me it's not true.
God will punish that person. That person is very stupid. That person is very, very stupid. He's a jobless fellow. So are you now saying that I cannot have a business meeting with my boss again in the hotel? Is that what you're telling me? Emeka, you see why I find it so difficult to say yes to you because you are now having a serious trust issues.
Why won't I have trust issues when you hardly take my call these days? You no longer visit my house, nor even visit my grandmother as you used to. You're always coming up with flimsy excuses. I don't understand. How do you want me to feel? How?
Emeka.
Can you just stop calling me by my name, please? What is this?
Wait, I don't get it. Is Emeka not your name again?
Oh, God.
Oh, I see you're looking for a pet name. But let me tell you, I'm so sorry, Emeka or Emeka. But let me tell you something. I don't care if you believe me or not. I don't care. But take my advice. Go and get yourself a job. Youth leader is not a job. I mean, it's a job for jobless people.
Well, Ujunwa, I hate to break it to you. I am living just fine. Okay? I have a betting center that I run, which you know. Okay? See, all that aside, what I'm saying is we need to sort this out because I don't understand what's happening to this relationship again. I don't understand.
My boss is calling me and I have to be going. I'm sorry.
Wait, Chief Zaddy, your boss. Don't tell me it is Chief Onwa's contact that you saved as Chief Zaddy on your phone. iPhone. Ujunwa, you are using an iPhone.
Jesus Christ.
Ujunwa, iPhone.
Emeka, what is wrong with you? I've told you all these things are officials. They are just for office sake. Please, can you just go? Get out from my car. Let me go to where I'm heading to. Can you just get down?
This is not about go come after one. Future is the official car, official iPhone 14. It's benefit of being in what chief on app. You have to bear it.
Well, this one as someone said you just sing for him. Guy, chief Atago Ujunwa ya. Forget it. You have no business with her again. I told you this thing now. I told you from onset, but you thought maybe I was just blabbing. You wanted to please a woman. You wanted to make her happy. You gave a lamb to a lion to devour. It ain't too smart. One name, Adoge bam. This one emotional. What they do?
Hey! Ewata me gunisi. Guys, my body is shaking. I don't understand. I don't want to believe my mind right now. This one they pay me in car for me.
You know, I saw Chief in Owerri and Uju. I went to face there now. The manager keeps saying, that particular room is for special guests. This one, that one. But you know, yes now.
Serious?
They were in the room for so long.
Hi, Oshigo, it's okay.
Calm down now. Why they add fire?
No, it's not fire.
This guy,
Chief.
Okay, you do video. Did you do any video? At least we can confirm on our chief now. We don't want the place now.
Sean, do you do video? Which time do I have to do video? Which time? Get chief na town where without. Actually, no you kwelu. Hi, commercial mayeta. Commercial.
It's okay now.
Commercial. Yeah.
It's okay now. My chest is doing me bing.
Daddy.
I told you. I told this guy now.
My daddy Sunday. My love. My baby. My Onodogo. Man that is making things happen. My Bobo. My Pino.
What? No, sir. Please, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. I tried stopping him, but he's...
It's okay. Emeka, how are you?
My Odogu. Well, Emeka, it is what it is. I'm sorry you found out this way. I'm sorry.
It's very unfortunate. So after everything I've done for you, I paid for your tuition, I paid for your rent, everything. I guess you've always been made for the office anyways. Office material.
I know you like counting your blessings. That I understand. And I also understand that you have a bad mouth. But trust me, I am not ready for this. At least not now. And if you want to quit the relationship, you can quit. I mean, it's a free world.
Oh, this is all you have to say? If I want to quit, I can quit. Right? No problem. No problem at all. Now, this is me wishing you the very best with Chief Onwa, since that's what you want for yourself. But then let me tell you something. Karma is real. Do you understand me? Karma is real. Nonsense.
Bye.
Emeka, you're not drinking. What's the matter?
I'm not in the mood to drink, Chief. Thank you, sir.
You see, Emeka, you have to understand that as a man, you shouldn't trust any woman. Not even your own wife. She told me everything that happened between the two of you, that you have officially broken up. It's so sad, and you're being a man, so you have to take it easy. I know that, I must have been instrumental to this whole thing. I regret being part of it. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay, Chief. It's okay.
Let me give you at least, 100,000 naira for Pierre or something. You're still a young man, come on. And I know that someday you'll be able to find even a better woman than that.
Thank you, Chief. I don't need the money. Chief, I would really love to be on my way now. Please.
Well, just take it easy. You're now the youth leader, right?
Yes, Chief.
That means you and Ejim Chukwu won the elections.
That's right, sir.
Wow, that's great. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Bye, Chief.
Be a man, my son. Be a man, eh? Just be a man. If you look at me, you will understand that I have seen a lot in life. Just be a man. It is going to be alright.
Okay, yeah? Sir. Thank you, sir.
It's alright. That girl was never meant to be your wife. Don't worry. Your own will come, and she's going to love you unconditionally.
I believe so.
That's how it's going to be. By the way, I heard you contested election with my daughter about this youth politics, and she's now your vice.
That's true, sir.
That's good. I'm happy for both of you.
Thank you.
My God will see you through.
Amen.
Just be a man, eh? It is going to be alright. Everything is going to be well. Your effort was never wasted. It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
It's alright.
Alright, sir. Let me take my leave. Alright, sir.
You not tell me reach this part, oh. You only tell me say he buy car for your babe. Say as they say he see them for hotel.
It's tiring. I didn't want to go into details. That was why I didn't tell you everything. The worst part is that this same Chief Onwa is owing my late father 200,000 naira. Oh.
I know about that one.
Anyways, it is well. The thing is, I didn't even know I could heal this fast. But see that Chief Onwa, as for his kingship aspirations, it's a no-no. It's not possible. It can't happen.
No one no concern me, Charlie. I won't go sleep. Sleep, they catch me. Make I go sleep small before all these people go start to visit again.
It's fine, huh? You need it. You need it. Eh? Don't fall sick, Origin. Don't fall sick. I hope you're eating.
What for you? Person where the mom person they eat. Where the appetite dey. I beg leave food first.
I understand, but I beg try the chop. This life now once, so I beg.
The sleep don't come. Okay, I go close eyes small.
Okay. No wahala, eh? Hey.
Come out here and face me woman to woman. Come out, you idiot! Where is she? Hey, Chuku! Your hair!
I don't know what's happening. Why you dey shout?
Ejim, so you have the mind, the effrontery to insult my father? Huh? You even call my father evil. You go about telling people that my father killed your father. You are not just okay with that. You are protesting that my father will not be the next king of this kingdom. Chuku, it's like you don't know who you're messing with. It's like you don't know that I am mad. Forget my composure and Western education. I will mess you up.
You're mad. Bomb dey your head. Go ask question. I'm not well or you smoke ukpumiri. What did they work this one? You won't collect for here?
It's your father that is insane. Your useless dead father is mad. He shouldn't have even been the dead man in my father's place to start with. What's all this?
You dey abuse my papa. You dey abuse my papa. You dey mad.
It's like you don't know who you're messing with. Ah! Dear Chris.
Eh? What did they work you?
I'm sorry.
You dey insult my papa.
No.
You.
No. Ah!
You dey mad.
I'm sorry.
You dey mad.
No, I'm sorry. Please.
If I shoot you, they go say I'm wicked. What did they work you?
I'm sorry.
I'm not well, no.
I'm sorry.
I go block you for here now.
Please, it's okay.
Look at this idiot.
I'm sorry.
Try me again. I go collect woto.
I'm sorry. Sit down. Adana, where are you coming from?
Mom, what's wrong?
Where are you coming from now?
I went to a Jim Chiku's house and I told you about it.
Listen, from today, don't you ever go to that house again. Don't! I don't know this kind of dream that I am having, you and your father. I don't understand it. And I will tell you people, nobody will believe me. Eh? Don't go there again, please. And by the way, do you have a gun?
What do you mean?
Answer me. Do you have a gun?
Yes, I do have a pistol, but it's licensed.
What? Let me have it.
Mom?
Let me have it.
No, you cannot. I mean, why are you acting melodramatic all of a sudden? Why?
Adana, let me have that gun!
Mom, please, you cannot have it. And please stay away from me.
Adana! Hey, God! Adana! Adana, come here! Come back here!
I'm saying this again. I've had meeting with the youth chairman and all the associations in this kingdom. All the rumors flying about is very untrue. I have no plans, absolutely none, on selling my birthright. Never.
Okay, we are not saying you are selling.
No, this conversation is not open for discussion. Bury my elder brother, your late king, and crown me the next king of this kingdom, period. My family will be back very soon. Once their papers are complete, they'll be flying out straight to Nigeria.
Please, Okechukwu, 80 million naira is a whole lot of money.
What is this? Stop this! What has gotten into all of you? What is on feeding every one of you here? I'll personally pick good heads as the new cabinet once I'm made the king of this kingdom. What do you want me to do? Sell my throne? To who? To him? The throne of my ancestors? No way. No way, sirs. It's never happening. Leave this palace this minute. Leave now or I'll call the commissioner of police to come and arrest every one of you for invasion of privacy. Huh? What kind of nonsense meeting is this? Leave this palace this minute. Out!
Okay, Chuku. You see, you can tow a damaged or broken down vehicle, but you cannot tow a mountain. I am a mountain. You see this throne? It is what my people want me to sit on. And I bet you I'm going to sit on it till eternity.
Over my dead body. Never! It will never happen. Over my dead body that you sit on this throne. Our royal family inheritance. Leave this palace, every one of you. Okay, Chuku. I said, leave this palace this minute, or I'll call the commissioner on everyone now. Leave.
Did you say over your dead body?
Yes, over my dead body. There's no way he's sitting on this throne.
Allow
Every one of you, leave this palace this minute.
Oh no.
It's never happening. You will never get to this throne.
Little boy, see how he's behaving on my throne.
He has dared the great powers of Zazuka. So decide what you want to do to him. My humble son.
I don't want him dead. Otherwise, I will be a major suspect. But I want him mad. Let him drive in his car out of the kingdom to an unknown destination. After that, he can go mad and be involved in an accident that will claim his life.
Whatever you wish, it is in your power. No man born of a woman can stop you. Not even a spirit can stop you from becoming the next king of your town.
My prince, thank you for stopping by.
You know I would. Your father was a noble man. You know, we grew up in this village. I know him very well. He was a loving and peacemaker.
You're right. Likewise, our late Igwe, he was a good man.
It's well. Like I said, I want your people's support. I do not trust the elders anymore. The youth needs to know the truth. Say it and stand by it. We make up most of the populations of this kingdom and we need to grab it by our own hands.
I'm glad it was a rumor.
It was. A malicious one from the deepest part of hell. I'll be on my way. I'm headed to the embassy.
Okay.
I'm processing a visa for my family. I'll come back in the evening so we'll talk about more issues.
Hey, Prince, thank you for stopping by.
Oh, it's fine. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Chief, did you say something?
No, just reading out an article.
Chief, please, I want to go to the shop and attend to my customers. I don't understand what my sales girls are doing anymore.
Call them on the phone and sort things out. That's all. That's why you have a phone.
Chief, please, let me go. You know it's...
In your next world, try me and see. You quickly came back to be king and then ran to Ajibode to acquire small powers. Fool. Ka will crush you few months from now. I repeat, Ka will crush you few months from now. Just enjoy the madness for now. Enjoy the madness for now.
It's a week now, about a week. And Okechukwu cannot be found. Eh? And all effort to reach him proved abortive. We cannot bury our Igwe without someone, his brother, presiding over the burial. It must be his brother, since Igwe does not have an heir. So what do we do?
Yes, but now his brother is nowhere to be found. Won't we bury our Igwe again? We are here for the meeting now. Huh?
Well, as the Onowu of this great kingdom, I hereby...
No, wait first. I am the vice president of youths in my community. I am representing my able presidents. They asked me to ask una question. In fact, I come here. They want to know who will be crowned the next Igwe of this kingdom. Since Prince Okechukwu is missing, una don successfully make that innocent man lost. So now when we know they see Okechukwu again, who will be the next Igwe of this kingdom? Because I don't want any ritualist or any sacrifice to rule us. So instead, make we live forever without king.
Yeah. All the king are mad. You are too insulting to this young girl. Who are you calling names? Who?
I call your name. I mention anybody name for this place. I beg answer me, who could become Igwe?
Of course, it's me, Nigerian, one of Ihiti of Oko Kingdom.
Hey!
This prosperous kingdom, I'm here to be king.
It no go work, sir. We don't rule that one out. I beg, tell me, who go become Igwe for this community? Make una talk fast. My blood dey hot. Answer me, I beg.
Egyptian, how dare you? Are you out of your mind?
You won't fight me? You won't beat me? I know say they carry talks, they waka. Maintain your lane, do your thing, make I do my thing. I know well, go ask question. They whine.
Let's get this girl out of here. I mean, she's not fit to be here.
Turn off your talks, no fit move me. I pin. I be Rocco. We pin. No leave, no transfer. They no fit move me, come on for this place. Make they put body now.
Agent Chuku. Mind your language. Please, if your body is hot, you better sit down. Eh?
No, she has to get out. Now.
Me go get out. I go lock this palace. Nobody go move. Try me. You don't do anything. You don't do the two chairs like this.
You.
Good evening, everyone.
Cleopatra.
Chief Onwa, good to see you again. While I train his son out of his notice, Ishie Onwa here can testify to what I'm saying. I never knew His Highness is dead.
So I let Igwe get pikin. I took him. See the resemblance, oh, the resemble, oh.
Yes, his name is Williams Jr.
Wow.
But according to your story, you said he asked you to abort the pregnancy so he wouldn't bring problem in his home.
Yes, but it's my choice. I had to move to London to forget everything about him.
And you are bringing him now. What a coincidence.
Like I said earlier, my fiancé asked me to return him back to his people. Besides, nobody told me His Highness is late. I can't keep a real blood out of his lineage. It's not possible.
You said that you came in conclusion. I mean, you succumbed to pressure when you saw our late Igwe in your dream, asking you to bring the boy here to Nigeria.
Yes. I saw him twice. This is his son. His blood.
You had an affair with our late king. Igwe 10 years ago. And it resulted to this boy. Where were you 10 years ago? Where have you been?
Oga, I don't mean anything. What the matter be say we don't get prince?
Will you keep quiet? Will you keep quiet? What if it is a conspiracy?
I believe him. No conspiracy here. We go run DNA tests, both spiritually and physically. We go run now.
Yeah.
Hey! God, thank you. Welcome home, my boy. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Hey! Bam! It don't be you. 10 years! And our tradition says, once a prince is 10 years, he can become Igwe. This tradition too much. Thank goodness. Thank God say you be 10 years old though.
Cleopatra, you think you can just come from the blue with a boy? Right? You have failed. You have.
That boy is a royal blood. She wasn't lying. Tell me, how did you get involved? I guess you know her better.
It happened 10 years ago. The late Igwe Williams visited my home. And one morning, we went to Jack.
What? I am tired. Like I'm feeling pains all over my body. I'm thirsty.
This is why I'm agile, because I do this regularly.
I'm not you.
Okay, when we get to the car, you drink water. Let us go. This is how you burn calories and burn fat. Let's go.
Burn what?
Calories and fat.
Come on, let me rest a little.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Good morning.
Okay. My name is Chief Onwa, and that is my brother, then my friend. He's a king. What's your name?
My name is Cleopatra.
Cleopatra. That's a beautiful name for a beautiful princess like you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, if you don't mind, can I have your contacts?
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks for not saying no. I can repeat it. That's it. Just save it. Chief Onwa.
Chief Onwa.
Yeah. Please, can I plead your indulgence? Can you call me? You know, you ladies, sometimes you may just forget. Thank you.
It's ringing.
Yeah, it's ringing. Thank you so much.
Alright.
See you later. Did you see that beautiful lady?
Oh, I saw it.
She will suit you perfectly. A perfect blend between you and her will make a beautiful couple.
Oh, I saw her.
Oh,
fine, she's beautiful. But But can we go now?
I know you always pretend when it comes to women, but that lady befits you perfectly.
Well, like I said, I am thirsty. I'm tired and I'm feeling pains all over.
Have enough of that to drink. Let's go. I have a contact, so you can always contact her later.
Let's
go. Let's go.
I am not drunk.
No,
Listen, are we being serious here? Eh? I am a married man, for crying out loud, and I can't do this with you. You should know that.
Married man.
Listen.
Married man. The way you carry this thing with pride. Anyway, I'm here so we can relish the moments. I mean, savor the moments. It's been a long time coming, bro. You know how it has been from high school days to university, how we played together, and you know.
Listen, let me make it clear. Huh? I am a married man, and I'm being serious when I say I'm married. Hmm?
I know you're married. I mean, 1 or 2 games will not hurt. Will it? See, she's on her way here. I want you to play this game. I mean, just have fun. Have fun, bro. Your wife is not in the country, she's in the States. I will not tell her, and I'm sure you're not telling her too. Will you? Just put yourself together and just have fun. Life now once, bro. Life now once, too. Eh? So just coordinate yourself. Let me hear scores when you're done. Young man. Cheer up, man. Give me scores when you're done.
Please sit. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Just so we're clear, I am a married man. My wife and my child are on vacation in London.
It's fine. I live for the moment. As long as no stranger passed.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's cool and fine. Do you care for...
I think we should go upstairs, rather.
Yes, that's so. Are you sure about it? In that case, I think I have to go about it. Alright, let's go then.
What? How can you be so careless? Oh, come on, you're an adult. See, I know I linked you both together, but you should have been careful. Let me call you back. I'll call you back. So this is your plan, huh? You want to wreck a beautiful home?
It was never my intention. I never planned it to happen.
How am I sure my friend is responsible for that pregnancy and not those your multiple boyfriends you keep?
We can run a DNA. At the time, I was in a relationship. Yes, I take the blames because I forced him. I forced him for us to make out that night.
More like it. You forced him. He confirmed to me that he gave you a whopping 15 million naira to terminate that pregnancy. Why are you still holding on to it?
Yes, he did. But I don't want to abort my child. I don't want to.
You don't want to terminate the pregnancy. So you want to destroy my friend's home. If a home that he built in tears, a home that he struggled to build, you want to destroy it. You're a Delilah.
Please help me. Because as it stands, he blocked me everywhere.
Definitely. He has to block you. Look, I do not want to be a bad friend or a black sheep to my friend or his wife. That money can go a long way to sort you out. Hey, I do not want to ever call his line or go to his residence again. Are you a gold digger? You want to destroy my friend's home? Are you a gold digger? Because he has charisma. He has money. Don't you ever try to call his line or go to his residence again. Am I understood?
You don't want to help me, please. Please.
That was how it all happened. I never saw her again after then. And the late Igwe Williams never talked about her again.
You see, you took a major part in all this. That is coming back to you now. You forced a friend to lay with a stranger.
Grandmaster, I was only entertaining him. But that shouldn't stop him from becoming the equal of my kingdom.
It will not come. But you have to prepare very well. Because I can sense danger. I can sense war coming. But I do not know where it is coming from. All you have to do is prepare very well. Yes.
My husband, I heard that a certain lady came with a young boy with a striking resemblance to our late king, claiming that he is the late king's son. If you ask me, I will say, you people should go ahead and crown the boy king. I believe the lady is telling the truth. Tell Onowu to crown him king, so that you will concentrate on your business and I will concentrate on mine. And forget this dream of becoming a king. Because one, you know that your clan cannot provide a king. What your clan provides is the Onowu. Secondly, stop telling your daughter that she is the princess of the land. Yes, she is a princess, but she is a princess of her father's house. Thirdly, kingship comes from the gods. And I know that the gods have not called you to be a king. Please, stop all this going about trying to become a king. Pico,
I have nothing to say to you. Nothing. All I know is that in this kingdom, I will be king. Mark my words.
but you and I know that you will not be the king. Yes, stop chasing what is not yours. You will not be the king.
Igwe, you don't die now.
Do not allow him to take my crown. Cleopatra is right. Williams Jr. is my blood. The fate of this kingdom lies in his hands. Be courageous. Be strong. And be smart.
Chimo. Igwe. Chimo.
Wait, so you mean you saw your late Igwe in your dream?
Yes, now.
And he told you all of that?
I go lie for you.
Onwa wants to be king. Is it even possible?
See, now before now they thought say this matter no concern me. But as it dey like this now, you don't whine. The matter concern me, die! See that Chief Onwa, he no go smell the throne. Even small crown no go enter your head. I go mess him up. That man dey very heartless and evil. He no go fit rule us. I no go agree. I no agree or you don't whine.
Babe, see, my own is that you have to be very careful with these people. Biko, be very careful. These people they are evil. Huh? I don't want anything to happen. You know you just lost your father. I don't want anything to happen to you.
I don't hear you. But I go do wetin my late Igwe talk. You see that Onwa, he don't be you. Hey, you go hear this cause now. I go mess him up for this town, for this village. You go hear him.
Anyway, me, I'm just saying my own. Be careful. Oh? One more. You have to be careful. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to me. I'll be strong girl now. I'll for you.
I trust you. I beg, come out the run, eh?
Yeah,
I'll
man.
see you later.
Alright, take care.
Be good, eh?
Alright.
Youths,
Progress.
My people, I called this meeting to let you know what is about to happen in this community. An abomination is about to be committed. Yes. Yes. Chief Onwa has been going around this community, telling everyone that he will be the next Igwe of this community. It is not possible. How dare possible?
All the possible. As we speak right now, the elders are having a meeting about this.
As a matter of fact, Ejimchi here has something to tell us.
Youth of our land, I greet you now.
We greet you.
I beg Chairman here, say we could carry this meeting come here. Because I get what I want to tell you now.
Okay.
The thing when I want to talk is very important. Before our Igwe died, he played away match. Yes. And that match gave him a son.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. That son is 10 years old. That son don't reach to be Igwe. Since Prince Okechukwu has been missing for 2 weeks now that little boy now go be the prince of our land. Now that boy go rule this kingdom. Yes. Chief Onwa will never be Igwe in this land.
No, that will not be possible.
I take God beg una, make nobody collect bribe. Tell your mama, tell your papa, make them no collect bribe. We are the youth of this land. Our culture and tradition will not go let them scatter.
At all. But come to think of it though, Chief Onwa's kindred doesn't produce kings and queens. So why they struggle for the king comes?
That one concern them. But I know say Chief Onwa will never be king in this land. Make we shine our eyes though, because underground meetings they go on as we speak.
I think VP is very, very right on this one. We should stand our ground and challenge these elders. We shouldn't allow them to do whatever they want to do.
Bribe. That's the point of view.
And again, we also need to see this boy to be sure that he's truly the heir.
Yes. As for that, the SMO has confirmed it. He is truly the heir apparent to the throne. Yes. I heard it this afternoon and I went to him and they confirmed it. So, my people, we must make sure we uphold the custom and tradition of our community. Yes. That is our job.
Chief Onwa, Onwa the Tieti. Chief Onwa, Onwa the Tieti. Onwa Tibe. Onwa the Tieti.
to dare me? Do you realize I'll be king just a few days from now? Yeah? Igwe Onwa Nitiro of this very kingdom. Be very careful. Nonsense. Now you will take that boy and disappear from the face of the earth. You will vanish forever. Otherwise, if I see you again, you'll be a dead person. I'm warning you.
But if his father asked me to bring him back, where do you want me to take him to? This is his land, sir.
Oh, you're talking. How dare you talk when I'm talking? Nonsense. Are you out of your mind? Inayala. Eh? Are you mad? Now, let me tell you this. If you allow me to show you my demonic color, you will regret it even in your grave. Nonsense. Look at you.
Slapped me.
You talk again, I'll slap you. Nonsense. Let's go. Take that one. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Chief Owa. Owa Tibet. Chief Owa, you are so mean. Chief Owa, your heart is evil. Owa, your heart is wicked. Anything you want, you must get it by fire, by force. Owa, Chief Owa, Epukina to a bodo. Owa, Chief Owa, Owa Netieti. Chief Owa, Owa Netieti. Owa Tibet. Owa Netieti. Chief Owa,
Agent Chukwu, I brought the money. I'm owing your father. That's it. Give it to him. That's the money. So you won't come requesting for it. I mean, it's something I promised I would do. Dead or alive. You know. I know that your late father, my good friend, my age mate, will be very happy that, yes, I fulfilled my promise. I'm glad.
So, Chief Onwa, finally, you carry your legs waka come my papa compound. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you too. Yeah. This is personally for me. You know, 2 million. Okay? Use it. Perhaps you can just, you know, start up a business with it. Or do something tangible, at least, with it. I don't want you to see me as a bad friend to your father. I was never, and could never be, a bad friend. Something happened. The truth is that your father wanted to use the money unwisely, wrongly. You know, he wanted to lavish it. We even had an argument concerning it. You know. You needed to go back to school. And your father never had that plan for you in mind. Anyway, that's by the way. I'm here to let you know that I want to take responsibility. Now, full responsibility. I understand you're very smart an intelligent, hard-working girl. Young leader, for that matter. I'm usually thrilled to see young people working hard for themselves. You know something? I want to invest in you, my daughter. Yes. So you have this for a start.
I don't need them. I don't want your money. You see this one where you owe my papa? I'm okay with this one. Carry your money, go. I don't want.
You mean you don't want to take my gesture of kindness?
I don't need them, Oga.
Okay, I'll make it 4 million. Yeah, 4 million. So that you can stop riding that tricycle or zikeke, whatever you call it. You know, do something better, okay? Yes.
I don't understand you. When you look me well, I be like, you know they feed well. Oga, make I clear you. I they feed well. You not even feed well, reach me. I they invest on business. I they use my money what they make from my keke very well. I they contented. Carry your money, go. I don't want them. See, I they do something for inside. I they cook. Make it not be like say I they rude. I can't waka leave you. Come out for this place. They hear me. Carry your money, go.
He appeared in my dream, requesting I bring Williams to you. But I'm worried. I don't know why he asked me to bring Williams to you. Aside that, Chifonwa threatened to deal with me if I don't leave this kingdom with my son.
Now so you talk?
Yes. We met few hours ago on my way to the hotel. My dear, for the late king to ask me to bring my son to you, I think there is something special about you. But I'm scared because I'm receiving a death threat from Chifonwa. It's worrisome to leave my son in this village.
My dear, no fear. They go whine you, but no panic. Me your mind day. Promptly. No, they panic. You hear me? Yeah, my prince. No carry and come.
He's resting. Hey, Jim Chuku. I'm confused. I'm worried. Please. I don't want anything to happen to my son. Your future king. Please.
Wait, you say our late king appeared to you?
Yes. Last night. He appeared. It's just like a physical appearance. He appeared in his royal outfit, but unhappy. He requested that I bring my son to you. Please, I beg you, protect my son for me.
See, ma clear you. Go ask question. I no dey fear anybody for this village. As you see me like this, I dare for you. You know what you go sup, I go follow you go carry the boy come. You see that boy? I go treat him like my brother. I go dey worship him as God's dey serve king. That's how I go dey serve that boy. Because na him go be praised. You see that chief Owa? Come on, body. Hey, you know go smell the throw you don't whine. I go lie for you. Don't worry, no dey fear. No panic. If I tell you say I dey for you, I dey for you. Nothing go happen to the boy. That boy, I go protect him. He go dey stay with me. You go see him. Nothing go happen to him. Obi chief Owa. He dey mad. Don't worry, me your mind dey. I dey for you. Yeah?
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I don't mind paying you any amount you want.
Please, no pay me money. I don't need money. Now my church mind I dey use do this work. You understand? I like that boy and I go protect him. I don't need your money, no worry. Yeah? Thank you. Don't worry. No dey fear. Nobody fit threaten you for this place, oh. No panic, yeah? I did for you.
So what you're telling me, Onowu now, is that there's more confirmed what that young lady said to be true?
Yes.
Hey.
That young boy is a prince.
Hey! 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 So, Onowu, what are we going to do about this? Because Chief Onwa will not take this lightly at all.
Ha! Onowu, you see this one? Amami Hunna Koeba. That little boy, that little rat can never be our next king. Amame, organize. It can't.
The problem here is that you know that it is traditionally enshrined in our custom. Yes, now. Yes.
Wait. We have all eaten from Chief Onwa's table. We are all committed.
Overcommitted.
That is the problem.
That is the problem. On a richer a war.
Zubaya.
Ego. Ego.
Hey.
Chief.
Chief
himself. Chief, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. Yes. I can see you enjoy yourself. Don't worry about that. I'll soon be going.
Chief.
Yes. See, I can see you've been enjoying yourself. Anyway, there's no cause for alarm. Everything is under my control.
I said it.
There is nothing that will stop me from becoming the Igwe of the
Correct.
Yes. You know, I mean, it is practically and logically impossible for that little bit to win over a great man like me. It is not possible. Anyway, like I said, everything has been settled.
Okay.
You know, so no cause for alarm, okay?
Chief Onwa. Chief.
See, people have this. Just enjoy yourself.
Hey! I want to win. I want it to love. Hey! It is you we know. This will get behind you.
Keep on enjoying yourself.
It is you we know.
Otuako.
People that shines everybody's home. Chief Onwa. It is you we know. Chief Onwa. People that shines everybody's home. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Chief Onwa, I am with you. And the gods are with you. And our children are with you. The gods are with you. Oh my God. Hey! Wait.
You are here now saying our guy goes so, but you're the one that saying it's a culture.
It's true. No, it's not. If that were change, share the money. Share what?
If you like it, carry wahala, come no. Carry juju, come no. She not the fear you at all. And them ne Jim Chugu, Danga.
Now you be the conceal. Where you they go?
Ejimchuku. What is the problem?
I don't follow you again.
As you can see, I am rushing off somewhere.
Oh no. They say come out monkey hand from inside pot of soup, make it not turn to human being. I they see as Chief Onwa, they visit you up and down. Frequently, they enter your house. Go in, go out. Be careful. Make your dignity and nobility no detested. I sabi una plan. And una plan no go work. You know why? The key of royalty is in my hand. I hold am like this and I guide them well.
Hey, Jimchuku, are you by any means trying to insult me?
I dey mad why go insult my prime minister. I know well. I know if you try am now, you don't whine. No. I just declare you say be careful because I dey see danger ahead of you. You see this culture, I sabi am. Chief Onwa no go near that crown. You no go try am, that future king. Now you go crown him, and you no go be Onwa. No collect bribe, make it no choke you, because bribe they kill, they kpai person.
I can see that you don't have manners. Eh? You small girl or boy, don't come in here to tell me what to do.
I no get manners. You think na only elders they advise small pikin. Small pikin they advise elders, and they advise you. They care for, otherwise you go wound.
I don't have time for such nonsense conversation.
How you go get time where to collect bribe dey your eye on throat? You see that crown? Chief Onwa no go see am. Na me talk am.
So, my brothers and sisters, you need to be on my father's side in his mission. I heard that some of the youth decided to take the wrong route. Why? My father has been of great help to this community. We all have been benefiting from his success. I mean, you know how our brothers and sisters are working in my father's hotel, ranging from managerial position to cleaners. So what else do you want? Why would you not vote for my father to become the next king? Why choose that little boy over him? Why? That is fractionally improper. You need to choose wisely. You will enjoy the benefit. Okay. I'm willing to give you all 1 million naira if you support my father. Yes, I am. And more will come from where I am pulling this one out. If you allow me to become your princess, you will not slack. I promise.
We have heard you, Barrister, but we need time to think. Because you can't just give a reply immediately. You can give us time to digest whatever you have said now.
Think.
Yeah, we need time.
What do you want to think about? That's the reason I'm here, for us to conclude. So I can pull in my actions at once, gather momentum, and we'll become the unstoppable force to achieve this goal.
As you can see, our president and vice are not here.
Yes.
And we cannot take a decision. They have to also be on your side.
Yeah. So that's the time I'm asking you to give us.
Ejim Chukure. She's my childhood friend. But somehow I do not know why she's giving me arm's length. But very well, I'm going to visit her and I'll talk to her about it. Okay? Or just think about it.
I want you to speak to the youth on my behalf. You are their leader. They listen to you.
No, Chief. I am sorry, but I do not see the possibility of you becoming the next ego of our community.
What? Are you dare say this to my face?
Baby, please, can you take it easy? Can I please come in here if I'm permitted? Amy, darling, I know you still love me, and I know you missed me a lot. Considering what happened between both of us, I know you're still paying. But what if I tell you that I still love you too? I want you back. Huh? But you will have to do me a little favor by convincing the youth to be on our side. What about that? And everything will fall into place again.
It's not working, please. This isn't happening. I beg to take my leave.
5 million naira, Amy. 5 million naira. Just call your account. Give me your account detail and I will just transfer it to you. Okay. What about Ifoma? I will offer Ifoma. She will grace your bed this night and any other time you wish. You know her. She's lovely, endowed. Amy. Call your account. Amy!
You offered that boy 5 million naira and my secretary.
Baby, how do you intend to entrap a man? It's money and woman. That is the ultimate. It's not just word and command.
Don't tell me you still have something to do with that young man. I mean, he's not worth 1 million naira. He's not. He's not.
Chief, I know. But right now, you need his support. You need the youth by your side, which he happens to be their president. They say what small money cannot do, big money can do.
That amount is still too much for somebody like him.
Come on, baby. It's all right. All I want is for you to win. Or would you value money than you becoming a king forever? Which one is more important to you?
Oh yeah, come on for this place. They're mad. I said get out from my papa compound. Come out.
How dare you, Jimchukwu?
How dare you?
Is it because I belittled myself to you?
If you like hide yourself, you no go fit become princess. You don't whine. I said your papa don't go fit become king. Let me talk him. I not hide him out talk him. What did they work you? You don't get respect. You dey mad. You don't get brain. You smoke bomb. You smoke kukumiri. What did they work you? Make I clear you. As far as they are there alive, your father will never become king. Instead of your papa to become king, make this ground swallow me.
Are you mad?
What do you want to do? You won't slap me. Don't try him again, oh. Don't try this nonsense again. You don't get respect. You're mad. They don't want you. I'm not well, no. Go ask questions. What did they work you?
You must be very mad. You're very stupid, this girl. Don't worry. I just want to let you know that you're very small. Dare me and see. You're too small for my father. You'll be disappointed.
I dare you. Your father will never become king. Culture no go change because of your papa. You don't whine.
I see that you're mad. You're very sick.
Hey, something. So try him again. I go beat you. I'm not well, no. Don't vex me.
You hit me.
You see the talk? You see the talk?
Coming back for me.
Come on for this place. Anum Pama. See Yansh. Let me the follow. Una too small. All of una your papa. All of una too small. Your father will never become king and be talk am. You whine. No sense.
If you like it, carry wahala, come on. Carry juju, come on. She not the fear you at all. And them ne Jimchukwu Danga. Jimchukwu na juju herself. She's stubborn past you.
Well done, no.
Hold your greeting with you. I heard that you said that Chief Onwa will not be the king. Is it true?
Not be say you heard. The land reject them. Me, I follow reject them.
Shut that your silly mouth. You don't want him to be the king. And you are driving my keke.
What are you going to concern keke for this matter now?
Choose between allowing him to be the king or you drop my keke.
I dey come.
I went to his house and I heard them yelling that you of all people are resisting him from becoming the king.
Thank God say I better go give Akawo their money. The money they complete for you. Wait. See your key to your keke. See your money. Carry yourself, come out from this place. Carry your ugly keke.
You will regret it. Hunger will kill you.
Okay, so don't vex me. You know why? I get one bone. And I dey quick vex. I get hot temper. If you trigger any of this matter now, your body go reach ground. Just carry yourself come on for here. You where you dey feed well. I see you.
Into the best of the field.
Oga, say back po.
Abeg, come out.
She's always at peace with everybody.
You are raving mad. You are insane, young lady. Listen, you better go in there, pack your things and go back to the UK and face your job. What are you doing? Canvassing people for what? To support your father? What do you think? Oh, you think you are going to be a princess? Don't you know that our kindred is the least? Listen, young lady, I told you about the dream I had about you and Ejimchukwu. And I begged you not to go near her. Don't you ever go to Ejimchukwu to challenge her again. Never you try it.
Oh, mother, please. Stop talking gibberish. Yes, I said what I said. Mother, why have you refused to be a supporter and a mother to this family? Why have you refused to support father and this family?
Look at what you're saying. When I and your father were carrying cement in the site, when I ran away from my family to marry your poor father, you were not there. And you stand here to come and educate me on support and family. What do you even know? Let me tell you, what you are doing is wrong. I will not, and you will not support evil because it is not hurting you, because it is beneficial to you. No, I won't allow that, because at the end of the day, the consequences will be terrible. It will be terrible to you and your generation. So you better stop it.
What is going on here? What is it? Can't I have peace again in my own home? Can't I?
Father, do you know I assembled the youth, telling them about your intention, our intentions to become reals?
Okay.
I gave them my money. You know how Africans are with their entitlement mentality. I gave them my hard-earned money.
Which is good.
Good.
Go ahead.
Guess what Mother said? Mother is kicking against the idea. She doesn't want our progress. Mother even said that she wished Ejimchukwu beat me to pulp for confronting her.
What? Gonaya, is that true? Is that true?
Michael, you better tell this young lady to pack her things and go back to the UK. What are you even teaching her? You and I know that you cannot be king. It is not done that way.
Really? Okay. Let me blast her head and send her cubs to her parents. Nonsense. Are you mad?
Please. Please, Daddy. It hasn't gotten to this.
I can't have a demon, a witch, as a wife. No, I won't. Let me kill her. I will kill her.
Daddy, please.
I won't.
Drop it. Please. Daddy, please.
I died because of you.
It's okay, Daddy.
Nonsense.
Daddy, please! Please!
I've had enough. I will not take that into the mother. I won't.
Daddy, can you just stop? Please!
Look, I said I've had enough of this rubbish. Nonsense.
Stop! Please, stop.
I'm begging you, please, leave me alone. Leave me, let me leave your father's house. It is better I go back to my sick and old parents' house alive than to go in casket. I am begging you, please.
Mom, it has not gotten to this. It has not gotten to this level. What do you want to go to?
Ada, I lost your two brothers in this marriage. For the past years, I have had no peace. Your father who used to be so loving, so caring, so gentle and accommodating, all of a sudden, he has turned into this thing that I don't know. Let me go, please. Your father pulled a gun at me today. You were there? Your father pulled a gun. He wants to kill me. Let me go to my father's house. I am better off there.
Mom, please. Mommy, please.
Leave me. Let me go back home.
You don't have to.
Let me go while I'm...
Know that you are a dark woman. Leave this house. Just step an inch out of here. Then you'll see what I'll do to you.
Dad.
No.
Daddy, please.
If you know that you're a tough woman, now leave, let me see you. Leave now. Leave and go to where do you want to go to? That's your wretched father's house, that village? Nonsense.
Daddy, please, can you stop?
I'm not stopping. Let her leave.
Michael, you will kill me, oh. You will kill me. Michael, kill me. Kill me. What is this? Kill me. What is this?
That day you're looking for, you get it. You will get it. You will find it. You step out now. Step out and let me see.
What is this? Leave me alone.
Kyle, don't bust my head. No. What do you talk?
Chief Onwa is a very good man. A very good man. Because he didn't assist your father when he was in the hospital. Doesn't mean he will drag us into his personal grievance you have with him. Support Chief Onwa, that's what you are saying.
For me, I don't see anything wrong if Chief Onwa becomes our Igwe. Let's just support him now. Yes. Give him the support that he needs. Oh no, you're here now. I am here.
Emeka.
Can we just move on and forget the past, please?
We no go fit forget am. You dey whine. Forget which past. Una don collect bribe, abi? Yeah. Una don chop money. Make I clear una, Chief Onwa no go ever become king. Na me talk am, it no go happen.
Calm down, no. Nobody's asking for your opinion here. Chief Onwa and the elders have already decided. We just call this meeting so we can align. Period.
It's obvious the kingdom is against me. It's obvious all of you are against me, but you no go work. I pin. I be one man squad. I stand kidigba. Chief Onwa will never become king except Junior dies, and Junior no go die. Now that small boy now go become Igwe when I go see him.
You are stupid. I said you are very stupid. You cannot tell us who to crown king. Yes. How dare you, Editu? How dare you?
You should be ashamed of yourself. You don't collect bribe, abi? And they wait for now.
Majority we are in support of Chief Onwa. Come and join us.
Can you imagine this little girl? Tell me what to do this kingdom.
Onwa kaigeso. Onye jeje mona nana onwa kaigeso.
Don't worry.
To your father's house, the palace. Welcome. Now here you belong.
Are you saying my son will stay here? What's going on?
Who locked the gates, Ebuka? What happened?
I know who locked the palace.
For what? Why you go lock him? Now you get him? For waiting.
She stubborn past you. My coach you for Naga. This girl.
why you choose to fight my father. Oh, who be this one? You dey mad? You crazy? Papa, you slap me, Ejimchuku. I will slap you again.
What is going on here? Ejimchuku, how dare you lay your hands on my daughter?
Bless you, dey mad. Where the palace key?
Which palace key?
Why you go lock the palace gate? Are you a gate man? Oh no, give me the key, man, come on for here.
How dare you walk into my compound demanding which key? Have you gone mad?
You see, I'm not well, low. Bless you, want to show you mad this time. You go give me the key, you don't go give me the key.
Come and collect the key.
Listen, man, I'll clear you. This is the Igwe. We have to crown him. Give me the key, make he enter your papa's house.
Come and collect the key.
You know, give me the key.
Come and collect the key.
No, give me the key.
Come and collect the key.
You know, give me the key.
No, they will the key.
You know, give me the key.
They will the key.
Okay.
Nonsense. Look at this one that call us. I don't even know if it's a girl or boy. Every time your trouble is too much in this community. Get it, Andy? Nonsense.
Chief, she has the guts to come to my house and fight my daughter. She and her so-called Cleopatra, the one you said ran away with the boy.
What? Cleo what?
The lady that started the whole thing.
Oh, Daddy. Why are you wasting time on dealing with this girl? Daddy, arrest her once and for all.
So you mean Cleopatra has been hovering around in this community?
Yes!
With that boy?
Yes. Chief, she came to my house demanding that I give her the key to the palace.
Let me have them, please. Let me have them.
Here it is.
Never mind. I'll handle them. Enough is enough. I've had enough of that girl.
Look, Daddy, I don't like the way you're handling all of this. I mean, next week is the coronation. Do something already.
Never mind, baby girl. Trust your father, okay? I'll deal with her. I will.
Chief.
What rubbish.
Do something.
Break am. Now no house. Oh no, with the craze. I know why he go lock am. Now papa house, I go break this padlock.
I want your men drafted to the palace immediately. Yes. There is a mad girl trying to break in. Get her arrested and throw her in the darkest cell. Until I say otherwise. Yes.
Father, she must be beaten and tormented very well.
Commissioner, I'll get back to you. You're right.
What is even wrong with that girl? What is wrong with that girl for crying out loud?
I said stop it. Move it. Move it.
Why now, officer? What happened? Not be so.
I said move it.
Relax. Let's go. I'll call my father. This injustice in this country cannot remain.
Let's go. This thing not good one they do. It not good though.
I said move.
Let's go.
Youths.
Progress.
Youths.
Progress.
I called this emergency meeting. As you can see, this is not our usual meeting venue.
Yes.
But they say desperate times calls for desperate measures. Yes. I called this meeting to give an important announcement, and that announcement will start with a declaration. Yes. And by the powers conferred on me as vice president of this youth association, I hereby declare Amaraye as my vice.
Wow. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yes. That being said, Ejimchukwu's position as the vice president is hereby nullified.
Exactly. Better talk.
Wow.
Yes.
Exactly.
Nice.
Yes, for a flagrant display of insubordination, she is hereby expelled from this association. We will no longer condone such indiscipline in our association anymore. Amaraye, I believe, is good for the position, and she will do better.
I hope so.
That girl, she will be there till after the coronation.
Of course. Can you imagine a little girl like that Telling elders like us what to do. Huh? What an effrontery. Can you imagine that?
Imagine that little boy. Rule over us in this kingdom.
No.
May the gods forbid.
It can't be now.
I told you men to forget about Ejimchuku. She will definitely be humbled. And in a hard way too.
Very hard. She's already humbled. A very hard way. See, wait. Our uniform is ready. Yes. And for me, I can't wait to put it on. Me too. I can't wait.
Chifowa, congratulations in advance.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
I thank you all, my people. I thank you. Trust me, you have abundance. Well.
Chief Onwa. Chief Onwa. Hey. The gods are wise. Oh yes. The gods are wise. Bear it in mind. The moment will come. And Onukulunja Oyekuma.
The gods have spoken.
She is fighting a just cause. Yes. No. It is not politically motivated. I know what I am saying. I am from the land. I am from this land. Yes. Listen, if my husband becomes the king, he will not live long. And the elders know this. They want to crown him king because of the money they are getting from him. They are not loyal to him. They know if they crown him after some months, he will fall ill and die. And the throne will go back to the rightful owner. Yes, please. Release her. Release her. Yes. Release her with whoever they brought her with. Tell them an anonymous person. Please don't mention my name. Commissioner, you know now. I will not lie to you. Yes. Release her. I have your account details. I will do the needful. Okay? Thank you. Bye. All right. Okay.
My beautiful wife. Come. Who were you speaking with on the phone?
Nobody of importance.
My darling, you can be smarter than I am. Tell me the truth. Who was that person?
Okay. It's my customer from Abuja. She wanted Indian fabrics and I told her I would need to get to the warehouse to check if I have it. Then get back to her later in the day. Yes.
You see, my darling, I understand your worries, okay? You see, don't mind my decisions. You know, your husband and the head of this great union. All I need is for you to just be by my side and watch, okay? You know, 2 days from now, you will be queen. Lola Ugonanya, one of this kingdom. Congratulations.
Thank you, my husband. Thank you.
No, they tell me that thing, but no, they tell me I don't want to hear him. Sure?
But you cannot defeat your kingdom. Everybody wants this Mr. Onwa to be king. It's already happening even. Just let this thing be. Let it be.
What did they
let
work
it
you?
be.
Kashi, what did they work you now? Bomb dey your head. I say I no go agree. Chief Onwa no go become king. He no go fit happen for this community. I be one man mopola go stage am. He no go try am. He no fit. You dey whine. Chief Onwa get 2 questions to answer me. Where Prince Okechukwu for 1 month now, we'll never hear from that man. Secondly, why he no want to make the right heir become king? Why? I don't agree. Oh.
Ejimchi, I'm asking you nicely. Please, stop this thing. You have lost everything. You have lost your job. You've lost your friends. You have lost peace of mind. Imagine, see how you are busy shaking and fuming. Let this man be. It's none of your business. Let this man be. Eh?
You don't divest me now. You know what you go sup, eh? We'll break up. Yes, so because I never even start. I go carry war enter this community. More break up now. Break up before it's too late. Scatter this relationship now. I dey tell you.
Break up. Because of Chifonwa.
Break up, oh, because I never even started. Don't they complain? If I can't start unko, break up.
Stop this thing.
I know they will reason you now say, but I make it just break up. Now this chief on one day my head. Now I have to finish him. Now he did my head. So scatter this relationship. Now make everybody just go in different direction. They feel me.
Can you hear yourself? No, Jimchi, can you hear yourself? Eh?
I want you to think about what I just told you about love. I'm capable of making you my queen. Then I'll adopt your son. You'll be the true heir to the throne of this kingdom. In my name. Not this kind of bantering we're having. You and I could have a mutual understanding and a wonderful relationship. Wonderful one. Yeah.
Wow. I'm sorry, Chief. I have a man. A man after my heart. I just came back to Nigeria just to bring Junior back to you. To his people, to his culture, to be among his own. And for the record, I was never aware of the death of his father. Sir, I can't be your queen because I have my king, the king of my heart already.
Cleopatra, you don't seem to understand what I'm inferring here. You don't.
I'm well schooled. I understand perfectly well. But I'm sorry to disappoint you, Chief.
So, Cleopatra, you're saying that you can't be my wife?
I can't. My mission to Nigeria, like I said, is to bring Prince Williams Jr. back to his root. Don't let me have bad perception about you.
Well, you're trying to make me feel that we cannot align. In that case, it is either you be my queen, and I be a stepfather to William Jr., or you just take the boy and both of you get out of the country and go back to UK and be there permanently.
Either ways, I can't.
You can't?
Yes.
Cleopatra, don't make me hate you. Otherwise, you won't like it. You two will hate me forever. Forever. And you will never set your eyes on anything in this kingdom again.
I'm not here on my own. Don't forget that.
Is that a threat, little girl? No one threatens me. Onwa, the potential king of this kingdom. No one, little girl.
Dad.
Okay.
Father, did you ask for the release of Ejim Chukwu?
No. Why are you asking? What happened?
Father, she just disrupted the meeting of the youths. As I'm talking to you now, she had a fierce fight with them.
What? No. It's not true. It's not possible. Not just possible. I'll call the police. Talk to the commissioner of police.
The police just released her.
It's not true.
Find her!
What's
No,
happening
check
here?
that side, check that side.
Take Chris down here. Hey, talk to me now. What is happening here?
She's not there.
What is happening? Why do people barge into this house like this?
This year, Abi?
She's not there. What is happening? Can somebody talk to me here? What is happening here?
I'm not here to speak English.
What do you mean?
Okay, bring that up. Every up what time, no day.
What are you talking about? What?
Ask me where I dey. See, if I arrange myself finish, I go show, yeah? See what you go do for me, just go hospital, go treat yourself, and they come. Yeah? What kind of nonsense be this?
What is it?
Now some bad boys, so. They go my papa come and go find me, they don't see me, now they beat my boyfriend, injure him. Can you imagine? And I'm not saying that Chief Owan go send those boys.
I think you should settle here. And I suggest we get the police.
Police? Only me na squad. If I catch those boys, blood go flow. Their body go surplus.
This is no war. No need for all this now.
No war. It don't reach war. They said the violent take it by force. I go take him by force. I see that Chief Onwa. As far as he are there alive, that man no go ever become king. He no go cement that throne. Now go hear this course, you go see him.
And to really become king.
You don't be the Igwe already now. Now you be the Igwe. My prince, they don't whine. They no go. All one no go near that throne. I there for you, no worry, no fear. What kind of nonsense be this? What kind of oppression be this?
Chief, Zukwanike. Just relax your mind. It is irrelevant to trouble yourself on Ejim Chukwu. She's inconsequential.
But, oh no, come to think of it, how did that girl get out of the police custody? How? Can't you see that she has a plan? That girl sure has a plan.
Chief, but how come one girl, no Bansi, is troubling a whole kingdom? Does she want to die? Forget about her. You're already in a good track with us.
And you know, and the police commissioner had the temerity, the impunity to tell me that, you know, one anonymous person released her. That's an embarrassment to my person. Darling. Yes. Well, did you see her? Where is she?
She's not in the house. We searched everywhere for her, sir.
Daddy, she escaped. I asked the youth to look for her everywhere, but she escaped. She would have waited for me. No, she would have just waited for me. Anyway, Daddy, let us forget about her. Let us focus on your coronation that is coming.
Thank you, my darling. You know, but that girl can keep running for all I care. But if I ever see her in my kingdom, she will regret her entire existence.
Anyways, Daddy, let us forget about her and concentrate on your coronation that is coming. Daddy, forget about her. Your goddaughter is staring us. But don't worry, Mom. When I become the princess of this kingdom, I'll get her sorry self banished.
Adania! Lizzy?
That's our princess.
Owa, tomorrow you shall become the king of your town. You shall serve the core interests of this great fraternity. We shall make you great than the greatest. The great Zazuka shall rest his might and power in your kingdom. You shall sit on that throne forever. Make a promise to the great Zazuka that you shall continue to offer blood to the great fraternity.
I will offer a youth, the blood of a youth of this kingdom.
It's alright. The great Zazuka has heard you. The great Zazuka.
Great.
The great Zazuka.
Great.
The great Zazuka.
Great.
And I shall be pleased to attend your coronation.
I am very pleased, Grandmaster, to have your own.
It's alright, my humble son.
You don't be. Hi! Chief, on 180 run. Obi Fita Fu cooking dog. Bam. By tomorrow, you will be crowned the king of Ifita Fu cooking dog. Yes, sir.
And whoever that is angry should go and die.
Yes, so let the person die. Die! 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 Where is Ejichuku? I said over her dead body with the crown king. She escaped from the village.
But why is she running? Why is she running?
I don't understand.
Should have stayed and let the youth of this kingdom feed on her body and blood.
Yes, so not only her. And that boy, that bastard boy that she wanted to present to us, both of them. William Junior.
Let's hear what he has to say.
Chief, did you say for him?
Let's hear from him.
Let's hear.
Hello! 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 Listen, boy. What happened?
Speak! Speak!
Therefore, the king's crown and the statue is missing.
Oh, yes! Lies!
Have you gone mad? Are you drunk?
Chifanwa, how I wished I am drunk and mad at the same time. Hey, Ndi Chimakwano. I visited my shrine and I did not find none of this. I strongly know someone had visited my shrine before I do.
Hey!
And have it in mind, without any of this, I said it again, without any of this, there will be no throne, no crown in this kingdom.
Hey! Nonsense.
Never!
Nonsense! I said nonsense. Boy!
Chief.
Go and find that girl.
Yes!
Go and look for Jimchuku. She has taken away their phone. Find her! Otherwise I will destroy all of you. I will destroy everybody. I will. I am Owa. And no one dares me. No one.
What are we doing here? Madam, you said that Igwe get this speaking, Abi? No lie, give him, because we don't reach end of the road.
Don't be silly. My son is Igwe's son.
Good. Junior, be bold, no fear. I dare for you. Punk me. Nothing will happen to you. Go bring this offer.
Why my son? Why?
Madam, woman know the touch of four. Woman know the near of four. You say now Igwe get him, Abi? If truly na Igwe get this boy, offer no go kill him. This offer is very powerful. Without this offer, they cannot crown Igwe for this land. Without this offer, there's no kingdom. Mortals and spirit, they respect this offer. Junior, go bring the offer. Bring her with the crown.
Junior. So Junior will go and...
Madam, why you dey fear now? I mean, you lie to me.
No. Junior, go get it.
Bring the offer and the crown. Fast.
What is happening? What is going on?
So, this is how it all happened. Eh?
At least, you have seen it yourself.
But I can still be king. I can do away with all of that.
No. There is jurisdiction in every realm. Your ancestors cannot be undermined. At least, get the offer from her. The offer is agreed with strong forces of your ancestors.
But how was she released from the police station? How?
Your wife did. She is fighting your ambition. You have to stop her.
Grandmaster, I love my wife very much. But tonight, the great Zanzuka will receive her soul, her stupid soul.
This is unbelievable.
Eh? Oh no! The little boy took the offer and the crown.
Wait. And he did not die? Then the boy is of the royal blood.
Shut up your mouth. If you don't have anything good to say, will you shut up your mouth? This is not what we are here for. We are not here for that nonsense talk. Yes, today we're supposed to have our coronation. But we can't find our folk. And we cannot do otherwise. That girl, Ejinchukwu, staged a full community. Hi! What a girl is she?
I said it earlier that we should not underestimate the powers of this girl. But it was you. You told me to shut up. Isn't it? We are supposed to have banished this girl out of this kingdom since. Look at it now.
Banishment. Is it not for the king to do that?
But the king is dead.
That's why we cannot banish her now.
Ezemo, what are we going to do? Because this thing is a total, complete brouhaha. How can she order a child to go and pick the offer from the shrine?
When am I able to work with her? Indeed, the gods are silent.
Silent. No. Oh no. Oh no.
And where's the boy? Where's the offer?
You no go see the boy, you no go see your four, you no go see anything. They whine.
You my cause up.
You know where you there? You know the company where you there? Cha no dey work for here, Oga. You kill my papa. You kill Prince. Okay, Chuku, you say you go fit kill me. You no go fit buy me. See this company where you there? Cha no dey survive for here. Don't waste your time. Nothing dey work for this place. Nothing fit work for me. They whine. They mad.
Ibanka. My cause up.
How goes you? I say no they work. What did they work you? Nothing they work for me.
Shoot her. Shoot her.
Natural Odeshi. I'm not well. Go ask question. I go throw away for your body now. I say, child, no they work for me. You know where you stand, put? I dey wait for you. You no go do anything.
I will do that.
Now mouth you there. More here. You no fit do anything. See, I dey fear you. I don't fear anybody. Go ask question. I'm not well, though.
Let's go. Wait for me.
I dey wait for you. Tell them be. I know Papa.
We go burn down this house. Everybody here. See. Burn this building down. Raise it down to the ground. Come on here. Burn the house down. Burn the house down. Burn it down.
Who is she, this village? Where you come from? Burn it down!
Burn it down! Burn it down! It's a run away!
Mommy's saying. Mommy's saying, come with me.
Sir? Go get the doctor.
do something. Why are you just standing?
Doctor.
Chief.
How's she?
Her blood pressure went uncontrollably high. So that's because we couldn't do anything on time. I'm sorry. We lost her.
Chief, what are you saying? Mom. Mommy. What do you mean uncontrollable? Mom, get up. Mommy, she was breathing right now. Where are you going?
Take her.
Mother, don't worry. Mommy, I will take you to the hospital. Please, no confrontation. Mom, please get up. Father, please do not sit like that. Mommy, get up. Please, Dada is talking to you. Please get up. Mother, please.
Hi. What sort of sudden death is this? Huh?
My mom is gone. Just like that. Hey.
It's okay. You'll be fine. We will be fine, okay?
No, Daddy. No. I can't be fine. Hey!
That's what I believe that. God gives and God takes.
Daddy, she was fine. We were just discussing in the room. And she said she wanted to go and ease herself. Only for her to get up, staggered back, and fell on the bed. Daddy, this is painful.
It's okay. I miss my wife. My dear wife. My dear Naya. I miss her.
Chief, please take heart.
Thank you.
But I think at this moment, we need to inform her people.
Yes, you're right.
Hi!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. It's your birthday today. The Lord will bless you because you are a good girl. Amen. The Lord will grant you your heart desires. Amen. Everything you lay your heart to do shall prosper in the name of Jesus Christ. Enjoy your day. The cake is for you. Eh? And take this. Buy whatever you want to buy.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. God bless you, Mom.
Get up.
Come here.
Get up.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
God.
Take your cake. Thank you so much. God bless you. Ah,
You like it?
I love it. I love it.
Ejimchuku, appear. What's going on? Okay, I'll try again. Ejimchuku, appear. No, this is not possible. I know what's happening here. This is impossible. Who is this girl? I mean, did she go and do something so that I won't be able to destroy her? But I killed her father. Then I should be able to kill her too. Nonsense. Okay, I'll try one more time. Ejimchuku, appear! This is nonsense. Okay, wait. Maybe I should try it on someone else. In that case, who do I try now? Unemeka. Okay. Unemeka. What? In my office? Ujuma?
Amy, what is it? Are you alright?
I know. I felt a sharp pain in my chest, but I'm fine.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Amy, you know, I really missed you. I missed everything about us. You know, how you used to make good love to me. It was beautiful.
I'm sorry, but you're chief's property. What changed?
I'm not. And I can never be. Come on. It cannot satisfy me. He's just a 1 minute man. You know, all I wanted was his money, right?
I don't understand. Please, we shouldn't be doing this, okay? Obi will be very disappointed.
Oh, come of it. Obi, come here and say, my heart still beats for you. And I still love you so very much. Please, I don't want you to marry Obi, please. That will hurt me. I know you don't want me to get hurt. Please.
See, let's just hold on. Let's just remove my hand from there, please. Let's just hold on, please. Allow me time to think about it, okay? I can...
Amy, there is nothing to think about. I still love you.
Amara! Biko, bia.
Amara.
Papa.
Is it true that Emeka, the youth leader, is dead?
Yes, Papa.
rumor has it that he slumped in the bedroom and died.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
When?
Early hours of today. They say, according to the rumor I heard, they said he came back and he was feeling heat. So he went to go and bathe. And from there, that was it.
Hey! Just like that.
Papa, I must tell you the truth though. You, Chief Onwa is manipulating all of you. You are the ONUWAJE of this community. Stop allowing Chief Onwa to manipulate all of you. And you are supporting him because of his money.
Go on, get out of here. But wait, Amaka has a point though. Hey, but how am I going to do this so that Onwa will not come for me? If that boy took the offer and he did not die, that can only mean one thing. He is the future king of this kingdom. Hi. The gods have mercy.
Williams Jr., yes? I want to tell you a story. In those days, our family house was a refuge camp. People run to our family for help. If witches, they pursue you. If evil people, they pursue you. If Ogboni, if any evil personality, they chase you. Once you run, come here, you are safe. This ground you are seeing is a holy ground. No evil person can survive, can thrive on this soil. You dey feel me?
Yes.
To survive on this soil, your hands must be clean. As you see me like this, my hands stay clean. I no feel wish or think evil against anybody. If I try am, that day I go die. That's why as I dey like this, I know they wish anybody bad. Now he make all those evil people, when they throw attacks, they throw arrows, enter my body, no they walk. Because my hands are clean. Your late father knows all this. That is why he tell your mama make he carry you come. Because he knows when you step your foot into this soil, automatically you'll be saved. You see this crown that they drag, they just they waste their time. Chief Onwa can never be king. My prince, as I see your eyes, now you be the next Igwe. Nothing where. What happened? How can I help you?
You little boy. Ujada Tokanage. Let me have the offer you took from my shrine. Let me have it now.
You want offer, Abi?
Oh, yes, woman.
Are they come? You for stand! Your blood for enter ground now. You for not run! Nonsense. My prince, sorry for the break in transmission. As I was saying, this family house is a holy ground. Nobody go fit do you anything. They hear me? I did for you. They whine. I did your back. I did gidigba. I guide you like angel. They feel me. Now we dey here.
How was today at work?
Very fine too.
Good.
Chief, I am deeply sorry. So sorry for the demise of your wife. I was devastated when I heard such news. But don't worry. Ujuma is here to make you happy and forget about your wife shortly.
Please stop me.
Clear the mess.
All right, Chief.
Chief Owa. Chief Owa the Titi. Chief Owa.
The great Zazuka.
Great.
The great Zazuka.
Great.
The great Zazuka.
Great.
Here she is. Kill her and become king.
After all she made me go through, she will die after all. Die. No. No. That must stop. That's my daughter.
Strike her!
That's my daughter!
I said strike her!
That must stop. You deceive me.
No!
That's my daughter.
Strike her!
No! No!
Come back here!
No!
Ah! 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 Ah!
Everything I have is gone. Just get out! Get out! Get out now! Nonsense!
I see you hurting yourself. I see you killing your daughter at the end of the day. Stop fighting for what is not yours.
Let us bet. One day I'll become the Igwe of this kingdom, and I'll banish you from my sight. Because my own daughter is supporting my ambition, my movement. You dare tell me to my face that I am killing her?
You will not understand me. I wish you can understand what I mean. Chief Onwa, I wish you can understand it. Listen, keep fighting the just. But remember, one day it will backfire on you. You better repent, or else you will end up in regret and misery.
How dare you? How dare you?
It has come to you lifting your walking stick to hit me. Stand up and hit me. Do you think I'm afraid? I will keep telling you the truth. Stand up and hit me. Onwa, stand up and hit me.
You are a witch. Amurusu. I shall deal with you, you see. Mark my word.
Mark my own word. Mark my own word. Remember that there is something called justice and equity.
Zanzuka, you did this to me. Zanzuka, you did this to me. You did this to me. This to me, Zanzuka. Grandmaster, I will give the lives of all the youth in this kingdom, all of them. Please, just beg Zanzuka for me to bring my daughter back to life. Please.
Too late. The great Zanzuka does not wake who he kills. You struck the mirror, remember?
It was in Chipchuku we both saw.
The gods of your land trick you. You should have been smart enough, Chief Onwa. Remember, you made a promise. Do not fail to fulfill it.
But I am yet to be king.
You are already a king in our sight. Chief Onwa, go and bury your daughter, for it is a taboo for her to be here.
Junior, make I go knock you that juice so you say make I buy for you. If I buy for you, go make you day happy, Abi.
Yes, but I want to see my mom.
Don't worry, you go see your mama. What can I do for my house? Eh?
Listen, Chiku, we are not here for any fight. Yes. We are here for our prince. We want to crown our prince. So we are here to inform you to prepare him so that we can crown him the next Igwe of the kingdom.
What of Chief Onwa?
My daughter, the gods is about to punish us if we do this by crowning the wrong person. Please, we have realized our mistakes. Please.
I hope she not be scam when I won't scam me. Because I will carry army come that palace and it go bloody.
This is not a child's play anymore.
They say make I carry Junior come, make them crown him today.
Are you sure you're not joking?
No, my prince, we are not joking. We are not playing. See, as I'm talking to you now, our chief priest is dead and timers have covered him. Please, this is a huge signal to our kingdom. And please, we don't have time to waste. Can we go? Biko, let us go. Please.
Hey, now don't learn the hard way. It don't be for Nabi. I will hear say he pikin die for the matter. Ada. It don't clear for na I say, not be human be the runner, na the gods.
Yes, na the gods. Please, can we go? Biko, please, because there's no time.
Diba kwenu?
Yeah.
Zuanu?
Yeah.
Rizono! Tata wo basi akaraka. And that's no basi akaraka hiri mwangoro. My king, we are here to crown you. Oh yeah, give me your hand. And this one. Yeah. Yeah. You wow. Oh yeah. Pick this one. This one is your phone. Huh? Yeah. Che fitafuku kwenu.
Yeah.
Zuanu.
Yeah.
Rizuanu. Now, by the power vested upon me, as you know, of Ifitafuku kingdom, I hereby crown you on this day, the Igwe of Ifitafuku kingdom, Igwe Williams Jr. May you live and reign forever. Igwe. May your reign bring peace, tranquility, and love in our kingdom. He said, and may the gods shine their countenance upon you. He said, with good health. He said, now, Aya, ascend to your great throne. Igwe, it's time for you to greet the elders. You know, over there, now we're teaching you the tradition. You have to greet your elders. Now say, che, ndiche kwenu.
Che, ndiche kwenu.
Zuanu.
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 I'll give that for
Honestly, I can't thank you enough. You really amaze me. You are indeed a woman king.
Ah, me woman king? No, I be ordinary person, no. Now why you go be king now?
But trust me, thank you. Thank you so much. Without you, this wouldn't have come to reality.
I'm supposed to thank you. You know why? You be very smart woman. If now some girls, if I bought the pikin. Imagine say you abort this pikin now, we for not get Igwe.
I'm telling you.
Some people don't abort governor and president where they know. It's not good though, abortion. Let people stop harm. It's not good. It's not good. See, people just they visit our Igwe. Governor visit last night. Only today, kings and queens just they troop in, they troop in wine.
My sister, seriously, this is so beautiful.
It's too sweetie. Make we go meet our small Igwe. You know, say, as he be like this, I don't know he left and he right. Make you go there with Amo. Yes. Oh, quite working. Achi. What fun?
Auntie, how are you?
I won't be.
There is something I want to discuss with you. Huh? Something very important to my heart.
What be that?
I don't know how to say it, but I have to. Hey, Jim, please. You know, we've come a long way. I want you to be my wife. I want you to be the mother of my unborn children. The love of my heart. Somebody I grow old with.
And this is now they talk small. If I'm not married, who I go marry? I may put the ring, Jerry.
Just like that?
You know me now before?
No, I mean I'm... Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No, be good. Thank you. You know, say the people for this village, they talk, say, stubborn person, no, they marry. Say, because I stubborn, I no go see husband marry. Say, God carry husband, God give stubborn.
Don't mind them. You're like girl, man.
Now what for you? Now what for you?
My baby, my baby.
Now we take you.
Sure. God, I thank you. So, like that now, you are now the special advisor to the king.
Now we take you.
The special advisor to the king.
Lie for you.
I'm gonna do.
Come in, I go show you to my new Igwe.
Yes,
now.
Sorry.
This one you people are looking like something is chasing.
Oh no.
Arrogant. What happened?
Chifonwa is dead.
Hey! Hey! He's gone!
Miriam Wefinanya.
Hey! How? Where?
He took poison and died.
Did you hear that?
Hey!
Poison.
He killed himself?
He killed himself. Why? Are you asking us? Asking us?
Hey!
Oh, no, let's go there and see the whole thing ourselves. So many people are there now. He's gone. Let's go.
Hey!
Just like that. Just
oh God! Oh God!